Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing out there? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's get it. Quite the nice little pop that we got last night. Nice little pop back up. You see, if we look at the range so far on the NASDAQ, 670 point range, you already see the volume starting to shift. Right around contract rollover, the profile start looking all jaggedy like that. 670 points, S&P 106 point range. We have some news coming out here in just a few. Now I'm going to be Johnny on the spot today. Let's see. Oops. Let's see. How low can I get my like number today? Bam, lucky number 19. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hey, the boss, what's up? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, PPI. Yeah, we'll see. Hey, so if we look, where'd that go? Let's go looky. 8:30, we have PPI coming out. So I might hold off until that news comes out before placing any trades. I don't know. We also have the ECB coming out with their monetary policy statement. So it might be best to be, try to be wise and just hold off a little bit. Hold off a bit. Is what I'm thinking. But we'll see. We shall see. Now, if you look yesterday, let me just zoom this real quick. We go to the volatility index. Let's go look real quick. Look on the daily. And let's just take a look at yesterday's VIX. Yesterday, the VIX was up 10%. So we already know that whenever the VIX is up 10%, it implies that the next 1 to 2 days is likely going to be an update in the market. Is that going to be today? Do we get the pop up today once that news comes out? Maybe. We might. I feel like last night they gave it to us way too easy. So we shall see. Bitcoin right now is at 1,500 on the daily, right off the zone that we've had mapped out for quite a while. Bitcoin's up a little bit. We do have gold down again this morning. Gold's been getting brutalized, but now you can see a little bit of a buying tail on the bottom of gold down here. Has not quite made it all the way down to our target yet. So we'll see if it does work its way down there. Oil back on the move lower, even after the U.S. was striking Iran last night. You see oil still trying to go down. We did validate the ABC pattern down. Target on that 78.06. Hey Tom, what's up? Jay says only the up. And let's look at trade a couple hours ago. He took a nap instead. Let's see. So we got to think about this logically today too. If we look at where we are. Hey Raj, good morning. Look at where we are in the volume profiles. Let's go looky. This could be quite the range, which I'm kind of curious. The way that volume profile looks, I don't know. It feels like we're closer to rollover than how that looks at the moment. Let's do this. Let's pull over this. Let's just take a peek at some of the volumes real quick. We'll take a look at the NASDAQ because that profile looks the most jacked up. Go over here to quotes. I'm really surprised. Given the way the profile looks, I would think that we had more volume than 6,000 contracts on the September contract. That profile just looks all jagged, just kind of weird. Pretty large range coming into today, 670 points. So we'll see if buy the dippers are going to keep on buying. We have not completed our ABC patterns on the way down. Now the ABC pattern, here's one of them. So one of them completes down here at 813. We can map out a secondary way like this. And that one completes about 28,019. So, I mean, that's how it's been going. We've been pumping overnight and then getting smacked down during the New York session. We'll see if that occurs again or not. We shall see. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash the lucky like button. And you might want to check and make sure you're still subscribed to the channel. People have been telling me that YouTube has been unsubscribing them. So you might want to check that real quick. Just to make sure. So. We should get it, and get it. Hey, good morning. So it's going to be a fun one. We do have an ECB coming out, which could affect the dollar index, which is at 8:15. And then they had their press conference. So kind of like when we have our FOMC meeting, which comes out next Wednesday, we get to hear Walsh for the first time. But their press conference is usually the big market moving event with their rate statement. Just like when Jay Powell would take the podium, that's when we got the big moves typically in the markets. So I did have a pretty decent night last night. So if we look at the how about we look right here? Here's all the prop accounts, about $800, 17,000 for the night. But then I went ahead and picked up a 5-pack of the Apex accounts, traded past them. I wish I would have picked up at least 10, but wasn't sure. I will say it's a lot nicer just clicking the buy 5 button, bing, instead of doing one at a time. Man, so much nicer. Yeah, hey Raj, I can't tell you. I'd say a majority of people that I talk to, once on day number 1 of a funded account, they have a hard time. They end up having a bad day. And that probably holds true for myself as well. I'm not saying that it doesn't happen to me. Ah, just to blow it 1 hour later. Oh, that stinks. That stinks. Hey, and what's funny is those Apex accounts that I passed them with micros. I passed it with micros. I was trading 5 micros. That's kind of funny. Hey, Raphael, good morning. Yeah, good luck today. We definitely need it. Yeah, don't tempt fate more than you need to, for sure. The more opportunities we give the market to prove us wrong, the more likely we are going to be proven wrong. That is a fact. Make sure we don't get too overconfident. So, hey, good morning, good morning. Hey, Mahmood, what's up? Good morning. So we do have oil down this morning. Day 1 after passing, or even day 1, is always the worst. See, I think about it in my head. So many people I've talked to, they always say day 1. Day 1 gets them every time. I'm feeling pretty good right now after last night. Yesterday afternoon was a whole nother story. So, hey, thanks for the donation. Could go over. So let's see. My little greed monster came out yesterday in the funded accounts. Greed monster came out. And yeah, it didn't work out too well. Did not work out. 3 accounts of Lucid 150K to 500,000. Nice. Hey, Finite to Freedom. Good morning. Dubai. Nice. You know what's funny? There was a lady when we were taking the baby class when my wife was pregnant with my daughter, and the lady was from the UAE, but she came here for, I don't know, family or doctors. I don't know what she was down here for. And she goes, I've never been more terrified in my life. So she used to be from the States. She's originally from the States. Then she moved to Dubai. And she came back to the States for whatever. And she said she's never been more terrified in her life. Said over in Dubai, she feels so safe compared to over here. So. Yeah, market was good last night. Thinking for yourself can be scary. So if we do look though, so in last night's analysis video, I talked about we closed outside of value area. So the high probability trade would be coming back and retesting value area low. Well, we did it right there. We look on the NASDAQ. We not only hit the value area low, we hit the point of control. We've almost got the full rotation all the way back up. Yeah, that's true. But I mean, that was before then, but that was before all this mess was going on. This is like 8 years ago. So, but if you look, if we zoom this out here a little bit, we had this zone mapped out yesterday on the stream, right? What did we do last night? We came right into it, almost made it to the bottom, whoop, right back out. We look over here on the ES. Look, candle wick right here to the candle body. What do? We just barely went below it. Bink, came right back. And from that point on, as soon as we broke the high of this candle right here, that was a high probability trade because then you can put your stop loss right below here. Target all the way up here at value area low. So this was one of the easier plays back to value area low after closing outside of it. But again, nothing in the market is easy, but that would have been easier. If we go ahead and we look. Hey, Apple, good morning. I do want to see. Let's go take a look at DXY real quick because we do have the ECB coming out. So we have the ECB coming out right now. The euro dollar is almost flat, up 6 pips. Now, it might not even be 1, 2. It's not even up or down 1 pip. It's like half a pip down. So much money makes you stupid sometimes. Yeah. Yeah. So I think it's pretty cool. I've seen some people skydive over in the UAE, and just the scenery you get looks pretty amazing. Looks pretty amazing. Let's keep an eye on the DXY real quick. We do have the ECB coming out with their monetary policy statement here in about a minute. And again, we have PPI coming out at 8:30, so I'm not looking to place any trades before that. I'm like, nah, I'm good. I'm good. Oh, and don't forget, there's a video going to be dropping 12:30 today. You guys might want to check it out. Check it out. Hey, boss dog, that's a fact. Hey, that's just like on hey Paul, good morning. Good morning, BK. That's just like if you guys have seen that movie Boiler Room. Whoever says money doesn't make you happy, look at the smile on my face, ear to ear, baby. Oh man, that guy has quite the pitch to for a job interview. Hey, Atomic, what's up? Good morning. All right, so I want to say that the ECB is going to cause the dollar to move at all. They're forecasting ECB to go 2.4. Previously, it's at 2.15. They're expecting the ECB to raise rates. Let's see. I'm more concerned with the PPI news coming out at 8:30, but yeah, 2.4. So they raised it as expected. Nothing crazy. Dollar index not really moving. EUR USD. Not much there. So we'll have to watch the press conference. Press conference is going to be here at 8:45. So at that point, 8:45 and beyond, we could get some movements in the dollar. So maybe we will, maybe we will not. So let's get it. 8:30 is going to be the PPI data coming out. So, trying to click on that link. Tahiti, yeah. He looks nice. Yeah, Tahiti has huge waves. That Chopu, I have no. I definitely don't want to surf that on a big day. Maybe a smaller day, I'd surf it, but I don't know about that. That wave is ginormous. Just you can see all the water it's moving. It goes from deep water to that reef really quick. You're too huge to surf? Yeah, hey BK, it's tough. I don't know. You know, we did a lot of the retracement back up overnight. So I really don't know. I'm really not biased one way or the other this morning. Hey, white boy, good morning. I mean, if anything, I'm kind of leaning more towards putting a micro on back towards the VWAP is what I'm kind of leaning towards, but I don't know that I'm going to do that. Could be pretty darn good, but you have a fear of drowning? Hey Raj, I've almost drowned a whole bunch of times. The one time, the time I was probably the closest to drowning, I got bounced off a sandbar pretty good. Like right when I fell, I hit the water, it knocked the breath out of me. And then I got put in the washing machine underwater, and it was just like, I think I'm going to start a micro position real quick. So I put a micro, I'm going to try to target this VWAP on the NASDAQ. But I got put in the washing machine underwater. So when I hit the water, all my breath got knocked out of me. And then I got put in the washing machine, and I was panicked trying to get back up. And I couldn't get back up. I said, this is it. I'm done. And as soon as I gave up, poof, I popped out of the top of the water. Like I literally gave up and the current just pushed me up or something. I don't know. I was like, I took a breath and I was seeing black dots all over the place. So I know I was on the verge of passing out. I told my friend about it. I caught a wave. I caught another wave. I was telling my friend about it. I paddled back out. He goes, didn't you almost just die? I was like, yeah, that was almost. That was a couple minutes ago. I'm good now. But man, that sucked that day. And that was here in Florida on the East Coast on a big day. There was a big hurricane swell that was out there. Hurricane was way out there. So the weather here was beautiful because the hurricane was far enough out, but the waves were pretty good size. I guess I just wrong place, wrong time. Gold 3,800 is coming. Yeah, I agree with that. I agree with you on that gold prediction. If we look. Starts knocking right when the tape speeds up. Yeah, I don't know if it's delayed on free financial juice or not. So you can see the dollar trying to go up here a little bit. So here's GC. Now, at some point, you're going to think that we will bounce. I don't know if it's yet or not. We'll see. I do need to go ahead and set this up. All right, there's that micro I put on. And VWAP right now is at 663. So I'm going to keep an eye on that. 663 and see if we can make it down there. Can we do it? Was John in a vacation for sure? Definitely not. Definitely not. Hey, in Costa Rica though, man, there was another pretty nasty rip. So people got stuck in this last trip. So this guy's daughter was swimming and she's ha 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 ha. And I heard someone else say, hey, watch out, there's a rip. And they said, yeah. They shook their head like that. They know. So I caught another wave, paddled out, caught another wave. And I was like, man, that girl's getting out there pretty far. And then I see her sister go out there to try to help her. I was like, they really need help, so I'm trying to watch. And you could tell they could still swim. They're younger. And I was like, oh, they can still swim pretty good. Then the dad goes out there trying to get him. I was like, oh boy. I started paddling over there to go assist them, but somebody else got to him before I did. So they had to get rescued. Kind of. It wasn't even the worst rip, but it was bad enough that a little tough to swim against. Man, I'm liking this. Hopefully PPI doesn't screw me over. But again, I'm just playing off this VWAP. Mr. VWAP. Let's go looky. I can see we're pretty far away from VWAP. The last interaction we had with VWAP was about 8:10 last night. Yeah, Playa Grande. Yeah, Playa Grande can get. Hey, we're moving pretty good. Hold up. Hey, we's coming down. Hey, so the VWAP's at 663. Yeah, Playa Grande gets some pretty nasty rips. Playa Grande can get kind of heavy, but where it gets really bad is if you go to Playa Hermosa, Central Pacific. That's the waves there are even heavier than Playa Grande. Yeah, what's the news? I don't see it. Trump, the U.S. will be hitting Iran very hard tonight. All right, Trump's getting it down again. Again, we got the VWAP at 663. 663. We got a trade detector bubble here. Yeah, I almost wonder if I should just take that off. I got my finger on the close. All right, I'm just going to take it. They gave it to me that easy. We have PPI coming out in 7 minutes. I'll just take it. Trump will assume total control of Iran's oil and gas markets. U.S. will be taking oil infrastructure points. We'll be taking Karg Island at some point soon. U.S. will be hitting Iran. U.S. will be hitting Iran very hard. So, yeah. Oil was down. Oil popped up on that news a little bit. That's not bad. That little micro trade, not too shabby. 879 down to 754. Over 100 points on that one micro. There we go. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Now we do got PPI coming out here at 830. I'm glad I took that trade now. I still think we're going to go to this VWAP, but let's see if we get a little bit more of a balance and I can re-engage in that trade. All right, here's oil. You can see oil shooting up right here, right to the VWAP. Oil was drifting down last night from about 7 o'clock and then whoop, coming right back to the VWAP at this moment. We still have the Dow up 212 points, S&P up 30, NASDAQ up 224, and the Russell up 24 points. We hit their water plant. Can't be good. Huh. Well, I know they're hitting desalination plants in the other Gulf states. So look, we had a pretty good little pop right back up. A lot of trade detector bubbles firing off. Now I'm going to go ahead and switch this just so I don't forget once the market opens up. So I'm going to go ahead and change the settings. So I'll be having my settings at 60 on the NASDAQ. I'll probably bump it to 150 on the ES. Good thing I got out of that. Look, the US is bouncing back pretty good off that. Won the war 4 tweets ago. He had to get winning some more. He has to win this war like 100 times. US will be taking oil infrastructure points. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, we have that PPI coming out here in 5 minutes. That's why the market gave me a gift. Oh, hey, J Love, I appreciate that. The market gave me a gift of that trade that easy. I could take the risk off before the major news event here in about 5 or 4 minutes now. That's why I went ahead and took it off, even though it did not go all the way down to my target. All right, I was looking to play all the way back to the VWAP, which we have not hit yet. It's still down here around 669. Let's go see where the ES is. ES did go all the way down there and hit the VWAP. Let's see, YM. YM basically touched the VWAP in RTY. Basically. Oh, hey, now I see it. So here's a new financial juice that just came up. The United States, whose Navy, Air Force, radar, anti-aircraft, and other forms of defense, together with most its offensive capabilities, are what? United States will be hitting Iran. Oh, all right. Very hard tonight. At some point in the not too distant future, we will be taking Karg Island and other oil infrastructure points and assume total control over their oil and gas markets, much like we have with Venezuela, which is working out brilliantly for both Venezuela and the United States of America. Thank you for your attention to this matter, President Donald J. Trump. Hey, so I wonder if Barron was if he was getting long oil. Is that what just happened? Barron was getting long oil, so Trump had to go juice it up for him real quick. Maybe. And you see the VIX shot up on that. VIX is still down 77 cents. So that's very nice. Very, very nice. We do have the PPI data coming out here in just a few moments. Just about 2 minutes. Yeah, Barron's long in oil. And we did get a 9 count down here as well. So I'm not upset. I took the risk off the table before the news came out. Got over 100 points on the NASDAQ. Can't really complain about that. Let's see. Let's see. All right, we got about 52 seconds left. Let's go see what they tell us. Let's go see. Yeah, market. So look, the average return on the S&P is like 10% a year, 9 to 10% a year. We went 20% in like 2 months. Possibility we put the high in for the year. Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for, Raj. I'm hoping you are right. Good thing you moved your stop loss in the money. All right, let's go see real quick. Hey, so we get the weekly unemployment claims as well. I forgot about that. All right, let's see. Initial jobless claims coming at 229,000, expecting 220. Core PPI, let's say 0.4, came in a little bit better than expected. PPI month over month came in at 0.4 as well, I believe. Oh no, PPI month over month, yikes. Came in at 1.1 versus 0.7. That's not good. That's a little bit hot. A little bit hot. So we're still down in the same area. So I'm still not upset that I took that trade off. Not upset one bit. Getting a paint job. Use code Mike on the side. Oh, that'd be funny. That would be funny. If we could paint up our ducks. That would be hilarious. So, you know, even with that statement Trump made, we had a little drop. A little bit. Wasn't nearly as bad as it would have been, you know, a few months ago had Trump came out and just said that same thing. Hey, Elevated Life, good morning. So you can definitely tell that, you know, it's wearing off a little bit. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash the lucky like button. S&P still up 25 points. Dow's up 187. We have the Russell up 15. We'll see, you know, when the market's open, do we get smacked right back down again? Was PPI good? Part of it was all right. So PPI month over month, not good. 1.1 versus 0.7. That wasn't good. Core PPI was a little bit better than expected. Still not good. 0.4 versus 0.5. Jobless claims on the rise as well. That's not good. So, yeah, I think it's funny when we look at the fear and greed index. We made it almost all the way back over here to extreme fear yesterday. Almost. We'll see if we make it to the VWAP. VWAP right now on the NASDAQ's about 670. We were a little bit lower a week ago. I was trying to get short. Trying to get short. Did not want to feel me. Let's see. Here goes that 670 is going to be the VWAP. I'm not even upset that I took the trade off. Not even upset. I still think I did the right thing, even if it cost me some monies where I could have made more. See, we now got that test of the VWAP now. Bada bing, bada boom. Hey, Tolador, good morning. Do. Little long here-ish. I mean, we are at the VWAP, so do we get a bounce? I'm not ready to go long yet. ES is below the VWAP now as well. So the VWAP trade played out rather well. We got a trade detector bubble way below the lower regression channel. Short term, we're oversold. We see the green background. Think about looking for a little scalp long. Chase that one too. I shouldn't have done that. Joker's got me. Joker's got me. Had the right idea. I chased that entry. That entry probably got me jacked up. We got double bubbles down here. So is that double trouble? Dang it. Quick little scalp. It filled me before. God, dog it. Won't let me move my target up. I'm trying to retarget the lower regression channel right here. The market's taking matters into their own hand, just like yesterday. Yeah, view at balance, Raj. Let's see if we can get a little bit more. So 715 is that lower regression channel. I want to front run that. It wants to front run it just a little bit. Come on. A little bit more. Come on, Joker. A little bit more. Let's get it. Regression channel moved down a little bit. Regression channel did move down a little bit. Still think we'll be good though. There we go. There we goes. There we goes. All right. Puts me back at new session highs for the day. Let's get it. So pretty happy with that. Even though I'm a little bit upset with the trade down here at the very bottom. I chased it, put my order, then I moved it, and then came down, just stopped me out, and then went. So, you know, more of the story, don't chase the trade. Should not have chased it, but is what it is. So we got a pretty good reaction off this VWAP. You can see we sliced through it just a little bit, trying to get a little bit of a bounce. So we coupled that with, we had the VWAP. We had the trade detector bubble. Let's get it. Yeah, it's funny. So 2 months ago, had Trump came out and said that same thing, this market would be way down at the moment. We would have went green to red. Gold is back down. Gold's down 50. It was just down 28-ish last time we looked at it. Now gold's down 50. Let's go look at the shiny precious metal. And not quite back at session lows yet, though. Still have a little bit further to go. I still think gold is trying to work its way down towards 38.25-ish. Then maybe even all the way down here towards 35.45. I don't think it'll be a straight line down there. So there'll be a bounce along the way. Or it should be. There should be. So if you guys haven't yet, smash that lucky like button. So right now you can see the regression channels are sloping downward. So I'm favoring more looking for sell side trades. So we get the regression channel to flatten out. So it's pausing near here for a rip. Huh. Oh, metals. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Hey, don't forget, I'm going to be pulling the winner from last night's video today. Sometime probably late this afternoon, early evening. So if you guys never watched yesterday's video, you didn't like and leave a comment, you might want to go do so. Get a chance to win a Take Profit Trader account. Let's go see if the other... Let's see if all the Lucid accounts... One person did not use his code last time that I checked. I don't think I have no more Lucid codes. Oh yeah, they used it. Sweet. Perfect. Hey, Carl, good morning. So for first time results of a, oh no, hey, so if you go to, I'll show you where you can see it. Let me get there. Oh, where'd this go? Oh man, I smashed the like button. I signed off the stream. So for the comments, you guys can always go. I usually go right here. If you go to the channel, go right here under post. Here's all the comment winners from videos. I posted in here. I don't post the emails there, but all the comments I do. So there's been plenty of comment winners. So quite a few. Once we figured out how to do the winner, I was having a hard time tracking people down at first. So, hey, Chris, good morning. Hey, Cheryl. Your goal is $1,000 today. So I use the same strategy when trading gold. So I used to like trading gold in the morning, pre-market, very first, right when the market's open, only not in the afternoon. But what I'd like to see gold do is get a big exhaustion move and play a little bounce off that. Is how I usually traded it. Or have a higher time frame pattern setting up and trying to play. So let's say we have a double top in gold, top one, top two. I see it playing out. I have a target way down here. I like on a smaller time frame, let's say the 1 minute, 5 minute, whatever, see a bounce up, sell the bounce, looking for that target. So yeah, I send them an email as well. So whoever wins, I send them an email and I post it in the community post. But before I had a hard time tracking people down. Like I respond back to their comment. They wouldn't reply back. And now that I have people including the first 3 letters of the email, it's definitely helped out quite a bit. So. Trading today feels much more scary. I don't know. See, I got to be careful because I had a good night last night. I had a very good night last night. So I got to be careful. I ended up buying 5 Apex accounts, passed them all last night. And then the prop accounts all up $800. I gotta be careful. But I got greedy yesterday, so I got smacked. So I was up in the prop accounts yesterday afternoon. I came back. I was like, I want to push these accounts. I'm getting close to payout. I'm gonna push these accounts. Nope. Market pushed back. I went being an idiot. Went on tilt. I didn't lose those accounts, but man, I gave back all the profits plus way too much more. So it was good to get a good chunk of it back last night. The greed monster came out, which the greed monster usually doesn't come out for me. I'm usually pretty good at keeping the greed monster at bay, but yesterday I fell victim to the greed monster. So, but I bounced back. I mean, I got $800 last night in the funded account. So I wanted a little bit more. I was already counting the dollars I was going to make, which I knew I was in trouble. As soon as I placed the first trade, I was like, what are you doing? What are you doing? And then I was up on it. I didn't take the profit, and then it came back on me because I was just thinking about dollars. I'm going to make this much. I'm going to request this much in payouts, and stupid. Take out Asia low. If we do, I'll be very happy with that. If we do take out Asia low, but I don't know. You got SpaceX IPO tomorrow. So I don't know. Tomorrow's going to be all about SpaceX. Hey, Mike, do you think, yeah, I don't know. Hey, Paul, so I don't think we went down enough to really set a meaningful trap yet. So look, here's what I want to do though, where I'd want to look for the trap. Mark off from the low, pull a fib right up to the high. Somewhere down a little bit lower, down below that 50% level, get the real fear in people that we're going to come back down and start taking out these lows. And then ideally where I'd love to see it take place between the 61 and 78.6 fib, because now we're doing some damage in terms of last night's price action on the way up. Get people thinking, oh, we're going to take out the lows and then trap them and rip it up. That's what I would prefer to see if we're going to trap them and run it back up. But right now we haven't really pulled back enough to really get any fear in the markets from last night. And what I would really like about that is we know that Lately, we've been going up in the morning, bam, slamming down. Yesterday, went up in the morning, bam, slammed down. So that's why I think that trap could really be spicy if indeed we do come down enough. Get the fear, oh man, we're going to do just like the last couple days, and then bam, trap them and run it. Trump on Iran, we are talking to them. We're talking to Iran. But we just said we're going to take all their oil. Trump on Iran, we're talking to him. Then Trump says, Trump on Iran, my preference would be to take Carg Island. Trump, we will be taking Carg Island at some point soon. Not sure if the U.S. has the appetite. Trump on Iran, not sure if the U.S. has the appetite for it. I don't know what he's talking about there, but. Yeah, he's going to hit him hard. Now, hey, in the past, 2 months ago, this market would have been done. Yeah, Barron took profits. Yeah, ECB press conference starting now. So the ECB press conference, what I want to pay attention to is, let's look at the dollar index. What is the dollar index doing? Dollar index going down should be bullish for stocks. All right, so that means the euro dollar should be going up. Yep, euro dollar going up. Boots on the ground. Oh man, good job on that, Katie. Wow. Can Barron get out of his oil long yet? All right, look, we have a little ABC pattern up right here on the NASDAQ too. Right there, target 846. I don't like the regression channel still sloping down, but 846. Come on, Joker. All right, you got me. I'll probably give it another swing. I'll play up towards that 846. Hey, Adam, good morning. Chase it again. 2 chases, not good. Trump says my preference has always been to take Carg Island. Look, as long as we don't go below 870, 870.09, I'm going to keep trying to target that 846. Can we get it? Can we do it? We might. We might. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Trump says, I'm not frustrated over Iran. So. We came down between the 38 and the 50% retracement. Joker. So let's see. Can we go all the way to 846? Can we do it? Do it. Can we do it? Hey, GeoTrade, good morning. Let's see. 846. Let's see if we can make it up there. Can we do it? 846. Come all the way up here towards that ABC target up here. That's a pretty decent move. If we can make it up there. Can we make it? Or do we come right back down? It's $1 million question. We shall see. Iran is negotiating with the U.S. to make a deal. That's funny. I thought they just said yesterday they're not talking to nobody in the U.S. And now we're making deals. You're mad that they won't sign the deal, and now you say we're making a deal. So which is it? Hey, Michael. Good morning. Hey, Captain Rex. So what is it? Are we making a deal? Are we not? So we'll see. What do we have for liquidity? Nothing really. A little bit of liquidity up here at 820 on the NASDAQ. Up here, 201 contracts. Probably be a spoof order. It hasn't been on the books that long. And if you look on the ES, there's really nothing. Nothing until we get all the way up here to about 73.39 and a half. Let's see. Are we gonna try to rip it now? They're gonna try to go without me. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna play some micros up to that. Yeah, I'm gonna play micros up to this 846. 846. Gonna play with some micros. Let's see. Can we get it? Can we do it? So playing off that ABC pattern right here. I keep getting stopped out on the NQ. I like that actually. Let's see if we can make it up there. And that's before they fight. It's pretty good lift off the low if we actually look at it. From down here, 179 points. Now, what I'm going to look to do, if we pull back anywhere above 709, 708, 709, I'll look to add into this to build for that move up towards 846. If we break below here, I just got to get out, eat my loss. Good looking out, Chris. If guys and gals have not yet, don't forget to smash the lucky like button. Ooh, I forgot to do that. Let's see what are you guys thinking? Is we get a pop or will we drop at the open? Just put the poll into the chat. What's it going to be? Hey, Rapid, good morning. I got to move down with that micro, so going up. I was pretty much long last night. Past the Apex accounts with micros. So I'm kind of curious. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? You think drop then pop? Trump piece. Trump says on Iran, I'd like to reach a deal now. We're gonna blow them up. We're gonna take their island. We're gonna take their oil. But hey, let's make a deal. Yeah, they're negotiating with us to make a deal. Really wish I could have been in this a little bit lower. Wish I would have started my position around 770-ish. That's all right. This gives me a chance to add if we come down. As long as we stay above this area right here, I'm going to look at DCA as I target 846. Hopefully it doesn't turn into a failed pattern. He said deal 1,000 times. Yeah, this time he means it. He means it this time. I think it's funny that we were hours away from signing a deal, what, 2 or 3 weeks ago? Hours away. Market has that big gap up over the weekend, and we still haven't got a deal yet. What's going on there? You guys weren't even seeing it, but as long as we stay above this area right here, I'm going to look to DCA this with the micros. We break this, I just got to exit. Trying to target this 846 for the ABC pattern completion. I'm kind of curious. What is that on a fib? Just shy of the 786. Let's see. Do we get it? Do we get it? You have a copy of the art of the deal if you need it. So the ECB is still talking at the moment. Lagarde is still speaking. Yeah, definitely don't invest on your emotions on news. Do not. Look, how many people thought the market was just going to crater down right here? All we did was bounce off the VWAP. That's it. Came back to the VWAP, bing, right back up. Hey, trading game, what's up? What's up? Good morning. All right, gotta get these micros to start pushing, printing. Let's go. Get up there. Get on up there. Please. Please, and let's go. Pretty please. Watch, they're gonna just punish me, make me wait. Wait. If I'm still in this trade, when the market opens, I'm hoping for a pop at the open. If I'm not in it, I don't really care. We'll go to the key levels here in just a few moments. Some of the volume profile levels, overnight value area high and lows and such. So I'm waiting to vote to see if I'm still in this trade or not before I vote. Hey, Trump says we'll be more bombing tonight. Bombing will be bigger tonight. Oh, it's going to be the best bombing you've ever seen. Oh boy. And look, the market's not even reacting to Trump's comments on that. So you can see the market's pretty much over it. Let's watch it. All right, 846. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's do it. Do it. Long all-time highs. Oh boy. Yeah, I definitely don't like that either, Katie. Trump, I don't want boots on the ground. Trump, Iran bombing tonight will be more powerful. Oh my goodness. What is he doing? What is he doing? And notice, like, he's saying that, and notice the market's not reacting crazy like 2 months ago. 2 months ago, the market would have lost its mind. So now market's like, eh. And that's what happens. Any news event that moves the market, right? You hear something, you hear, whatever the topic is of the news, markets go crazy. Next time, markets go crazy a little bit less. And then over time, that same type of news article just doesn't move the markets anymore. Markets already digested and worked around all the different outcomes. Barron must still be in his long oil because oil's coming down when Trump keeps spewing these topics. We did have a trade detector bubble up here at the upper regression channel. Do we come down and give me a chance to add to this trade? We might. Wait, so let's look at the gamma levels real quick for the S&P. All right, we have GEX1 up here, which we have not hit yet. All right, that's going to be right up here. And normally that'll get hit once within the session. 73.50-ish. We have the one-day max. Somewhere around 73, 78-ish or so. Definitely something to pay attention to. Let me look over here at the NASDAQ. What do we have over here? We did hit the GEX1 last night on the NASDAQ. That was right down here. 548. I do want to pull something real quick. On the 30, from here down to a low. And we came up just above the 61.8 over here. One day minimum on the NQ. It looks like it's all the way down here at about 9:30. Wait, how can that be? Yeah, 9:30. 27,930. So how could it be 9:30? I'm looking at 800. I thought I was looking at 800 right there. It's 28,000. So what if I'm going to be holding this trade going into the open? I'm going to get my chance to add to this trade. Wait and see if we come down a little bit more first. A little bit more. SpaceX IPO, FOMC 2 days before contract rollover. Yeah, we have quad witching next week. Or triple witching. Come on, go down a little bit more. I want to get another one on. Let me get another one on. So we can push. Push, push, push. Now, if we do look, that could be problematic though. Came just above the 61.8. Trying to fail and come back down. Oh, I didn't sell there. I bought. I'm trying to go long to 846. The ABC target. Right here. So I tried to go long on the NQ. Got stopped out and said, hey, let me just slow this down a little bit. And went in with micros. Yeah, I got 4 on now. So 846, that'll be a decent little trade. That would be almost 400 bucks if it hits. Well, the VIX was up 10% yesterday, which implies that today or tomorrow will be an update in the market. Doesn't mean we're going to be up a lot, just means the market should be green. We'll see if that holds true or not. So let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right. So if we look over here at the 4-hour time frame, we've had a pretty good move down, but we do got to be mindful. We still have 2 ABC targets down below us, 28,019 and 27,813. Then if we look at the overnight volume profiles, let me just remove the drawing objects. Right now we're above value area high. Man. Right now we're above value area high at 28,769.75. We come back down below it. Point of control is way down here. So that would not be my first target. If you look to play the rotation down, instead I'd use this high volume spike, high volume node right here at 706 as target 1, and then maybe a secondary target 413, and then value area low and the point of control are basically in the same spot, 28,264 ish down there. So if we stay above 769, that should be bullish, and see if we can complete the rotation from yesterday. All right, here's yesterday's value area low. We already hit the point of control. 991 would be the next target if we start breaking above here. Apex extended again 12 more days. Well, that's good. I want to buy some more accounts. I just passed 5 last night. So that's happy. I might try it again tonight. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Now, if we look over here at the ES, what do we have over here? 4-hour chart. Again, let's draw out these ABC patterns on the 4-hour. This will be the more conservative one right here. A to B. All right, you can actually see we hit that one last night. 72.36. Bada bing, bada boom was taken out. And then the secondary one was down here at 72.16, which we have not hit yet. So let's see. Let's see. So once we hit the ABC patterns, normally the market will do something other than continue in that direction. Well, last night we got the little bounce up. We look over here at the daily profiles. We remove the drawing objects real quick. You can see that we closed below value area low. Last night we got into it. We hit the point of control. So do we end up rotating up towards 73.83 today? 0.75. Hey, so I passed the Apex evals with 5 micros last night. Five micros. That was it. I passed them in one night. Right there. So only traded 5 micros. So let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. And that was micros, not minis. So it was half of one mini contract, basically. So if we look at the overnight, where are we at there? Overnight, we're kind of in the middle. 72.81 and a half will be value area low. The point of control, 73.05, and value area high, 73.37. So we'll have to wait and see, do we flush outside of value and then return back into it? So if we come down, do we then come back above it? If so, then I want to target the point of control, value area high. If we break up, we break above value area high. Then we start coming down. We can play the point of control, value area low. Then we can remark off that zone from last night's low, candle wick to the candle body, and see how that plays out. No, it wasn't one trade. So it was not one trade. I think it was 3 trades, if I remember right. 3 trades. All right, trying to push on down, which is not going to be good for my micro. Down 244 on the micros at the moment. So let's see. Are we going to go down here? Here's my invalidation point of that pattern. So, yeah, I copy trade all of them. Well, the evals I copy together. The funded accounts, I copy all those together. So I split them up. If it's the eval, I'll copy it with whatever evals I have. The funded accounts I copy with whatever. Yeah, I'm still long. Trading game. Hey, Eddie, last night I think it was like 3 trades. 3 trades. It's not going to be like last night. Last night was just easy. All right, once we went down that zone and reject off it, they made it pretty easy for us. Most nights are not going to be that simple. So I'll take them when they come. Just know they don't always show up. But if I try to do the same thing tonight, probably won't work. That felt pretty good. We had the VIX up over 10%. So I figured we'd get a bounce. I thought at minimum we'll get a bounce last night. And then we'll see what today holds, but let's see. Can we get on up here? See how much underwater I am now. I'm about 250 on the trade. Probably shouldn't have got so aggressive when I first entered the market. Regression channel was still sloping down. I should have waited, but let it flatten out here a little bit and then start to look for that ABC pattern on the way up. But I was scared it wasn't going to pull back enough to give me a shot. Don't forget, if you guys want to vote, pop or drop in the open. Poll is in the chat. And if you haven't yet, it's a great time to smash that like button. We are going to have a duck race today. We are going to be giving away a Take Profit Trader 50K account. So you might want to make sure you're already signed up to the email list down below. Make sure you're, once you sign up, it will send you an email confirmation. Confirm your email. That way, when you win, I can't say, hey, I can't find you. If I can't find you on the list, you'll simply forfeit. So let's get it. You're lucky number 148. Let's get it. Hey, Mechanoble, good morning. String Bean Trader, what's up? So we've had the bounce off the VWAP, but right now we're really in jeopardy of putting in, kind of already have it. So look over here, dollar's trying to go up. It's not good for the markets. That's not what I wanted to do. NQ. Look, is this going to end up being a lower high? If so, that could actually set up ABC pattern down the 5 minutes. I hope that doesn't happen. Let's hope that doesn't happen. Let's hope this ends up just firming up here, because then on the 5 minute, we have another ABC pattern. So we have an ABC pattern on the 1 minute. On the 5 minute, let's assume that this is as low as we go. That pattern would complete up here at 946. If we go lower, we just have to simply grab that extension tool down here just a little bit. We'll see how that plays out. Let's see, where's the VIX at this morning? VIX is still down 87 cents. Take a good look at crude oil real quick. Crude oil is having a hard time, holding above VWAP. Pretty good wick there. Pretty good wick there. Just can't hold above it yet. Trump needs to come out with some more statements, I guess. So, your duck is ready. The paint is drying. Let's go. Let's get it. Oh, I hear some chirping. That's got to be good for my trade. Let's see. Let's get it. Oh, well, since I'm long, I'm hoping for a pop. So I would vote pop. Only because I'm long on this trade. That's the only reason. I do think a pop makes sense. VIX was up more than 10% yesterday. Market was a little bit oversold. Get some of the buyers to step in and try to buy it back up. If we look over here, if we look on the daily chart real quick, look at, let's say, the SPY, and we start measuring right up here from all-time highs down to the low of yesterday. We're down about 4.5%. If we look at the NQ, and that's a normal, decent little pullback in a bullish phase. I'd say that normally happens 3 to 5 times a year ish. Then on the NASDAQ, actually, NASDAQ was up. That's the NQ. Let me look at the Qs. Hey, Jesse, good morning. Hey, Jesse, you trading your new prop accounts today? All right, 7.34% on the Qs down. So we're getting close towards that 10% correction, which normally is a good buying opportunity. So we got those buy the dippers probably stepping in. We can see it trying to form left shoulder ahead. Do we pop up, form a right shoulder over here? Maybe. Oh man, what do I need to do? I didn't do it. Let's just see. Trading one of them. Hey, why only one of them, Jesse? You're not using the copier at all? Let's see where we are in the EMAs real quick. I don't have the 20. I have the 50. Let me have it where it shows the... Yeah, 20 is way up here. 20 SMA anyways. Interesting. So we have about 15 minutes until the market opens. Let's see. Do we go back down or do we pop it back up? We do have the regression channel sloping upward now. Slight slope upward. Let's see. Let's see. 14 minutes until the market opens. We'll see. Do we get any more Trump tweets out there today? We shall see. Gamma levels on the ES. The X1 I'm kind of watching up here. That's going to be right around 73.50-ish for the X1. Then we have the 1 day max, about 78, 73, 78. So we break that X1, that I would suspect we're going towards that 1 day max and the call resistance. Call resistance about 76 to 77. So. Oh, man. Oh, Jesse. That's why you never called me back last night. Oh, man. Dang it. Oh, man. Hey, day one strikes again. Hey, Jesse, we were talking about that earlier before you even came on here. Day one is the most brutal day for everybody in the funded accounts. Like it should, like the prop firms should just ban you from trading day one. Yeah, they probably like it. They wouldn't. Yeah, they're like, oh yeah, let's let them blow it up so we don't gotta pay them. How to pass an account one night? Well, I mean, last night we had the range. So last night I was trading the M&Q to pass the Apex accounts. So this is all passed with 5 M&Q. So if you look at the range, I mean, there's plenty of range last night. We had a 670 point range. So let's just put this in perspective. All right, since we're dealing with micros, we'll say 670 times $2 per point, right? Times 10, so $10. I was trading 5 micros at a time. You know, you had the potential to make $6,700, assuming you got in at the very tippy itty bitty low. You got out the tippy top. You had the potential for $6,700. Now, there's no way any of us would have got in at the very low tick and out at the very top tick. But if I only need $3,000 to pass the Apex account, you can see how it's very doable. Not every night are we gonna have a 670 point range. That's not normal. So, yeah, I was trading 5 micros last night. 5 micros. So, we talked about it earlier. We had the setup. So, let me go over here. Trading view might be a little bit easier to see. So, if we go to NQ over here. All right, if you go over here to a 5-minute chart, actually, let me do it on 30-minute chart first. So on the 30-minute chart, if you already had this zone drawn out, right, candle wick to the candle body, come right over here to the right. All right, so now we have the zone drawn out. Now we go over here to the 5-minute chart, and look what we had down here last night. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. All right, inverse head and shoulder. Did I trade the head and shoulders pattern? No, I did not. But I did start trading it last night as I was looking at this for a potential ABC pattern on the way up. It's kind of funny. Last night, I did not see the inverse head and shoulders. I see it now, but so So let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. No, no. Hey, Roger, saying I blew up my Apex Legacy accounts. And this stupid move crap right here where I've been trading like crap. Right here, somewhere in this mess, I blew those up. In the market conditions I do not like. So. And look, if we were below that zone right there, guess what? Then we know we're probably going lower. But once we were holding this zone and starting to come out, it made sense trying to look for longs last night. So. And this was a pretty good one right there. Pretty good pop there. We're holding above the VWAP. I was tempted up here to short for a move back down to the VWAP. I was very tempted. Very tempted. I did not take the short last night. I only went long last night. But I was tempted. I almost when I exited my second trade, I almost went ahead and smacked that for a short, and I didn't. And I was like, I should have done it. Sometimes I will. Sometimes I use the Gex levels at night. But I like them more for the New York session. Because the options markets aren't really trading. So. Let's see. So it looks like we got about 8 minutes left. 8 minutes. Can we get it? Can they do it? Let's see. But last night I was already looking for a bounce. Look, what have we been doing the last couple nights? We've been bouncing up in Asia. The New York session, we might sell off. So the VIX being down, or VIX being up as much as it was yesterday, I was already anticipating a bounce on the VIX. I was anticipating just market being oversold, getting a bounce at least in Asia and London. And then we were playing off that key level from the prior day. So they made it pretty easy last night. Last night was one of the easier nights to trade for me. Which means tonight probably won't be as easy. So last night I was just fortunate. So we always go through, times will be good, times will be not so good. Last night was one of the good times. Let's hope that today can be great as well. So we got about 7 minutes until the open. Let's come over and take a look. I'm going to close down the poll here in about 2 minutes. Let's go take a look real quick. What do we have for market on open orders? What do we have? All right, S&P 46 million to the sell side. NASDAQ won't be moving for another minute in 20 seconds ish. And Dow's 8 million, 9 million to the buy side. Oh, we talk about Paul's box again. If you have kids around, put them up. Paul's box is the topic of conversation this morning. So. Hey, we get a nice little lift here. I'm liking it. Yeah, let's go 846. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. 846. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go look at the NASDAQ. All right, NASDAQ should start moving here in just a moment. All right, 42 million to the sell side. S&P 49 million sell side. Dow still 0.2 million to the buy side. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see. If you guys want to vote, time is running out. Pop or drop at the open. We'll leave it up for about 40 more seconds. Is Paul women alone? Hey Rick, so you have to. Hey Rick, so you have to convert the levels from the SPX over. But you'll find that the high gamma levels quite often will act as a magnet. Quite often. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and close down the poll. Let's see, what did everybody vote? Don't get out on your box. 59% said pop, 41% said drop. All right, let's see who wins it. The pops or the drops. Who's it gonna be? I hope we don't get one of these just big FU candles to the downside. Paul's in the minority. Not necessarily, Paul. Usually the minority have a pretty good shot of winning. You know, if everybody was always right in the markets, everybody would be gazillionaires. We know that's not the case. Those people end up failing. The markets are not kind. Yeah, I hope it just pops first. I don't know if that's going to be the case. We're going to find out here shortly. We're going to find out shortly. And don't forget, hopefully, you know, you got your ducks well trained last night. Ducks are rested during the session. So you get those little legs ready to kick during the race today. Take liquidity, then pop. Yeah, we might. Well, let's see. Or do they end up smacking it down then? Ripping it. Oil right now is still up 9 cents. So we'll see if we get any more tweets from Trump today. And is anybody speaking today? Let's go look. We got a 30-year bond auction at 1 o'clock. Yeah, I don't see anywhere where Trump should be speaking today. So that's good. Let's see. So we got about a minute and 20 seconds. Let's go. Let's see. What ducks? You have goldfish memory? Regression channel is still sloping up for the time being. All right, we got about 50 seconds left. Oh boy. Let's get ready to rumble. We'll be cheering everybody on. Hey, Paul, you're not trading today? Paul, hopefully you're done because you had a good day. Hopefully that's why you're done. I hope. Hopefully you're not done because the market forced you to be done. Oh, I hear a little bit of knocking. Doop, 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 doop. All right. Here we go. Ding, 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 ding. The market is open. Place your bets. Place your bets. That's weird. My NASDAQ froze. I was like, oh, that's cute. That's cute. All right, let's see how that 1 minute candle closes. Yes, it's trying to come back down. NASDAQ's trying to come down a little bit and going back up. Let's see. Come on, get on up there. It won't break VWAP. I don't know, man. ES is really trying to look at the ES versus the View app real quick. Come on, Mr. View app. Where you at? There you go. ES looks like it's on the verge of breaking it. What about YM and RTY? Let's check that real quick. Not really looking so hot. RTY. So do we get a flush down into 1030 and then we bounce maybe? Maybe that's how they're going to play it. Maybe that's how they're going to play it. All right, so technically we had an up candle. Technically it was a bullish candle. Now we're coming on down. Coming on down. I might have to take a swing at this. We're below the lower regression channel at this point. Are we going to flip it? Got a little trade detector bubble right there. Very, very small. Market was short term oversold. Let's see. Let's see. Please. Please. Ah, dang it. Man, I hit close. We're up here and then it popped down to you, son of a biscuit eater. God, dog it. As soon as I heard the button click all the way, I seen a little squirt down. They got me on that one. They got me. Yeah, touch the View app. Yes is below the View app right now. So percentage wise, Russell's the strongest, up 0.83%. Let's go look at RSP. What is RSP doing this morning? Mr. RSP, what are you doing? RSP is up 0.48%. We have the SPY up 0.29%. All right, let's see. Are we going to go ahead and head on down? Is they going to do it? Got your 10 points plus. Nice. Hey, Paul, I told you you'd probably be right. Minority wins. I told you. You gotta go against the crowd. That's how you win in the markets. God dog it. Got me on that one. Didn't feel me on that one. That would have took it no problem. God dog it. The ones you're feeling. The ones that doesn't feel me, runs it would have hit my target. Look, we're starting to slope the regression channel down a little bit. Oh boy. All right, there you go. I got one target real quick. Let's see if we can go back down towards the low on that Trump news. Can we go back down and threaten the lows of the Trump news? The regression channel is sloping downward. Yes, only up 12 points. Hey, Mike, do you have the Asia link? What do you mean by Asia link? I don't even mean by that. Let's see. We have a few wicks down here. Wick 1, 2, maybe 3-ish. They're trying to defend it. Hey, smooth operator, what's up? Trying to defend it. Oh, I haven't been streaming in Asia. I haven't been streaming last few weeks in Asia. I was on vacation. I just got back. Man, I find myself really wanting to smack this. Gotta be careful here. Gots to be careful. Yeah, I did Apex evals last night. Here's the Apex evals that I did. I bought 5 accounts, bought a 5-pack, passed all 5. $3,100. Going to make 3,000. You can pass in one day with Apex. And right now they extended the sale 90% off. So you guys want to check them out. Link in the description box down below. Use code Mike. Dog it. It's got a quick little scalp, but I wanted to move the target like that. But I wanted it to hit my target. Still looking for more of a bounce. Come on, Joker. See, the real good ones, they don't want to fill me. Yeah, the EOD. I bought the EOD accounts. So you do have a daily loss limit in those accounts. So you have a 50K account, which not really a fan of that, but is what it is. Paul's report card is in. Let's check it out. Oh, yeah. Nice. Yeah, it is. So the daily loss limit, I have a love-hate relationship with it. No, I like it, but then I don't because I'm like, ugh, you got on a tight leash. But it's good. Let's go look at Paul's report card real quick. Looks like about $550 per account. Nice. Give it up, give it up, give it up. Hey, good job out there, Paul. Nice. Very good. Whoa, 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 whoa. I hit that button way down here. Yeah, I don't want to get filled way up there. Thank you. No, thank you. God, thankfully I was able to cancel that order. Breakfast time. Nice. Yeah, it's funny. The time difference, like in Costa Rica, and even more so for you over in the West Coast. Crazy different. Like at 10 o'clock my time, it's 12 o'clock. It was 12 o'clock lunchtime. I'm trying to smack it right back down. Hey, they do got oil back down now. Oil's down 23 cents. Let's go take a look at the crude oil real quick. Mr. CL, what are you doing? Right? Could not get and hold above the VWAP. Spike through it, couldn't hold it. I tried for the ABC pattern on the ES. Hey, what time frame chart are you looking at, Rick, for the ABC pattern? Yeah, I see one right here on the 5-minute. Oh man, they gotta smack this market again. Smaller trades and more wins. But yeah, remember too though, the more trades that we place, the more money we're gonna pay in commissions. So here's a little bit of a trade-off. Like last night was just an easier night. Normally I go for a couple $100 a trade at night. I almost guarantee it's not going to be a winning trade. It let me move my stop loss, or let me move my target. So it's probably just going to stop me out. Yep, told you. Every time they let me move my target, it doesn't work out in my favor. Dow's only up 194. ES up 8, 7. Let's see. They're trying to go back and challenge the low over here from when Trump came out, was spouting his mouth. I'm having a hard time though, really breaking it. Come on, get it. I want to see it sweep this low. Sweep the low, and then we'll see if we get back above it. Right over here. Do we go down below it and try to get back above it, or do we just keep plowing lower? We shall see. We look over here on the ES. We do have some liquidity up here. So 73.10 to about 73.07. And if we look over here on the NASDAQ, 720, we have some liquidity, 405 contracts. And a little bit down here at 650. It's gonna have to fill the gap. Yeah, maybe. Let's actually go look at these gaps real quick. So SPY. SPY needs to come down a little bit more to fill that gap. Let's see. Can we get it down a little bit further? Yeah, be careful with the VIX over 21. Come on. Having a hard time really pushing it though. Really pushing this down. They keep trying to go down. They keep trying to buy it. Look, see the wicks down here? Trade detector bubble just showed up on the NASDAQ. What price is the VIX at right now? VIX at 2165. Look at the Qs. Qs haven't filled the gap. IWM has not filled the gap, nor has the diamonds. Diamonds is trying to come down into the gap though. We'll see if we get a fill or not. Does we get a fill? Regression channel is sloping downward. Didn't work. Give it a shot. I'm not even upset about that one. Since Michael Burry publicly went bearish on Nvidia. Nvidia's down 3% since. Hey, so he wasn't wrong. He was just early. Which, let's go look at the heat map real quick. I don't want to go green to red today. Google, Microsoft, Meta, all pretty red. But we do have Intel. Intel's up 8.5%. ASML, ARM, SanDisk, MU's up. What about SMH? SMH is up a little bit. So SOX should be down. SOX is down 10%. How much is SMH up? Wow, SMH is up 2.9%. The SOX is down 10. Oh man. Yeah, that's a fact. Inflation's been definitely too hot. We had trade detector bubble at the upper regression channel. Do I dare take another swing at this? Whew. Good thing I did not. Oh my goodness. Jeez. We're getting a little lifty lift here trying to bust out. I was just getting ready to short that too. I was just getting ready to short it. Oof. Golly. Good thing I did not. Dow's up 242. SP up 24. Man, oh man. Good thing I didn't do that. Getting it busted up. Look at had you stopping the money. Nice. Yeah, they're ripping it now. Again, if you look at the NASDAQ, we basically bounced right here off of the view app. Look, a little double bottom here at the view app. Hey, so let's map that out real quick. Hold up. Let's get rid of this. Where's that double bottom target? It's going to be all the way up here at 29,017. 29,017. Woo. They's getting it. 29,000. Can they go? Three for three scalp trades. Nice. Yeah, 150 points for nothing. Let's see. I mean, the VIX was up more than 10% yesterday, so it's, you know, not really all that surprising. ONH high, touched, then dumped. Let's see. I think I'm going to start peeling off these micros. Let me just peel one of them. All right, now I got two of them. I'll let the other two go for a little bit more. Let it ride up here a little bit more. That way I get back some of what I've lost already this morning. See if we can complete out that ABC. I'm sorry, that double bottom target. I'm going to probably front run 29,017. So maybe I'll probably front run 29,000 before I get out of the rest, is what I'm thinking. So I'm gonna let the rest run to about 29,000. So we'll see. Let's go see. Yeah, face to face to ease tensions. Yeah, it might have been what moved the markets. Could have been. We won the war, I think. There's never winning in wars. Ask Trump. I think he differs with you. He's already won the war like, I don't know, 10 times already. That's going to be funny. Do we go all the way back down? Hey, Jerry, good morning. Let's see. 9 a.m. opening price getting tested. Oh, here we go. Oh, let's get up to that 29,000 mark. Let's just push it. Push that 29K. Let's get it. I still got those two micros on. ABC forming on the NQ. Hey, Raj, what time frame chart are you looking at? And we're not even close to the second deviation band yet either. So we still got a little ways to go. See if we make it up there or not. 1 minute chart. Oh, Raj, are you looking at it like this? The A to B leg here. And that's the corrective move. All right, let's see. We got to watch it. Can they do it? High of the day is at 936. We're probably going to get there. Oh, yeah. NASDAQ looks like it wants to bust a high today. Yes, it's starting to firm up quite a bit as well. So could this be a little ABC pattern up on the ES? A to B, B to C. Projection 73.88, which is just above yesterday's value area high. I don't mind that. I don't mind that one bit. Did it make new session highs right here on the NASDAQ? Yeah, up a little bit more. Let's go. Let's go. I'm going to look to peel these off. I'm going to take one more off if we go up there. All right. I'm going to let the other one go towards 29,000 on that. Maybe. Come on, let's get it. Get it. Probably should stop trading. 5 for 5. Nice. Hey, good job on that. Finite. I'm just going to close it. I'm going to close that. It's pretty straight up. It's funny. This chart froze. Another chart. I'm already out of it. See, I'm out. I wonder why that chart froze. That's weird. Still busting up now. I'll put a gap in my freaking charts. Another chart didn't have a gap. Now this one does. So I'm trying to refresh it again. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Done trading. Nice profit again. Oh, good job on that, Johan. Why do I got a freaking gap in this chart? I don't like that. I did not have a gap before I hit reload historical data on the chart in front of me. All right, we're still pushing. It was at 29K. The hell, a little bit longer. So look, that double bottom playing out pretty darn good. VWAP touch 1, VWAP touch 2, double bottom. Targets at 29,017. We basically just hit it right there. Oh man, I think I'm about to restart Ninja. Gosh, dog it. Again, the VIX was up more than 10% yesterday, so I expected a bounce. Talked about that start to stream off. My MAQ chart's just sitting there spinning in front of me. Garbage. Hey, so we hit the second deviation band. I'm going to have to restart Ninja here in a minute. We hit the second deviation band right up there. I likes it. I like it a lot. So do we look for a potential setup? Hey, Raj, you going to look for a setup off that second deviation band? Hey, TradingView has the deviation bands. So if we look at the View app, oops, go to settings, band 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'll turn all the bands on. There you go. You can see right here. Right here at the second band, right there. So they have them in TradingView on the View app. So I just like to keep the chart a little bit cleaner. So you can see about my Ninja chart over here. My NASDAQ, that M&Q chart's froze. Dang it. All right. So give me a second. I want to reboot it. I want to do a reboot. No more trading NQ in the futures account and the funding account. It does help out. It does help. It does. That NQ can be wild at times. So, all right, let's see. Trying to get my chart situated. All right. So wait for Ninja to reboot. Yeah, it blows your account in no time. I mean, what the lure of it is, though, you can make so much money so quick with the NASDAQ when it doesn't work. Oh boy, oh boy. It is not good. Not good. Gets ugly. Yeah, NQ is only for scalping. I don't know. You can do pretty decent with the micros as well. So, because the range is so large on the NASDAQ, but yeah, remember that big wild swings cuts both ways. When you're right, hey, it's great. When you're wrong, not so good. Let's see. ES real quick. ES made it right back up towards here. Let's go look at YM. Mr. YM, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, so is this going to be a look above fail? We went above the overnight high. We start coming back down. ES didn't make it up there yet. NQ did make it above it. RTY also made it above it. So only the ES has not made it above it. So it's all jacked up. I can't get my charts to load. That is funny. I should have restarted in safe mode. Let's try this. Huh. Let's do it. I don't even know exactly what time. No, I have no idea, Frank. I have no idea. Give me 1 second. I want to try to get this booted up in safe mode. See if it'll fix that broken chart. That M&Q chart got broken. It froze on the chart you guys were seeing. Mine was good to hit reload historical data. And it just jacked it all up. I thought I just booted up in safe mode. I did not. Oh, man. Dang it. I meant to boot up in safe mode, but it did not. So, oh well, we'll see if it works this time. I know a lot of people are excited about that SpaceX IPO. I got people that don't even trade or follow the markets. Hey, what do you think about that SpaceX IPO? I'm like, oh boy. Oh boy, we're in trouble. People don't even follow the markets wanting to get in. All right, VIX is down $1.30 at the moment. Yeah, that's hard. That's the hardest part of trading is following. Hey, what's funny is we make our own rules and we can't follow them. That's the funny part. This is just irritating me. Maybe the market's stopping me from doing anything stupid. I can hear it still going. Here goes the NASDAQ pumping some more. I can see my market analyzer window, but it's not working. Nothing else is working. Yeah, trading's free money. Oh boy. Oh, there was a guy at work. He knew I traded and he was trading. He goes, hey, he shows me his phone. He's trading off his phone. He goes, hey, so what happens with this? I mean, he has like so many options. It's ridiculous. I'm like, he goes, what's gonna happen if they exercise this? I'm like, what in the world are you even trying to do? Like, he had no idea how it worked, that he was just buying calls and puts on all kinds of crap. And it was, he said he was, I just got to do this because I got bills I got to pay. I was like, it's not going to help you out, man. It's going to make it harder for you. But damn, my ninja is, I can't even get my ES charts to load now. Yeah, sleepless nights. Hey, if you can't go to sleep and you got to trade on, that's a pretty good indication. Pretty good indication. You're trading way too big size. Way too big. So I'm going to try to start this in safe mode now. Let's see. That's what I tried to do last time. I don't know if I messed up or it messed up. Looks like NQ is heading for 29,250. Maybe. We have some liquidity over here on the ES. Right here around 73.40. Right here. So we'll see if we try to make it up there. Maybe we do. A little bit of liquidity down here at 73.15. You sacrifice sleep in order to change my life. Yeah, I can't say I don't fault you for that. I mean, I kind of do the same thing. When I was working and trying to trade, when I got up and tried to trade London, yeah, that was brutal. That was brutal. Because I was working over 70 hours a week at my job. But then get up at 3 o'clock in the morning to trade. Yeah, I probably need to clear my cache. I'm not clearing my cache yet, though. We're going to see if I regret that. I mean, good news is at least this didn't happen when I'm stuck in a trade. Oh, it's going to work now. It's going to work now because now my charts are trying to come up. I just had to boot up in safe mode. Let's wait to connect all the data connections. 10,000 data connections. So we made it to that second deviation band on the NASDAQ. Who's taking the short? Anybody taking the short? Yeah, I think it's going to work this time. I think we good. You're short? Nice. You're in it? Oh, man, Raj. I can't let Raj have all the fun. All right. All right, Raj. I'm going to get in with you. Raj says he's in. That's good enough for me. But I'm going to start off very small. Let's see. Trying to get all the prop accounts connected. That should be up and running. There we go. Yeah, no mini. I'm just in a micro. Yeah, I only did one micro at that. Only did one micro. I don't know if my NASDAQ charts aren't all the way loaded yet. So I got to wait. Because this chart right here takes forever to load. Ever since probably like 2 or 3 updates ago on Ninja, the chart would just take forever to load. I need to take one of these weekends and just start from scratch with Ninja. Delete everything and start over. It just sucks. So time consuming. Yeah, I don't know what it is. I never used to have these problems. But here we are. At least I got the micro trade making. I'm up. I was up. I was up on it about $20. Now I'm down. So hopefully it can smack this bad boy back down. We do have the view app down here at what, 727-ish? So 9 count before 10:30. It's always your fault. So you'll take the blame. All right, I think we're all good now. Yep, that chart's, once this chart loads all the way, I'm good. Remove, duplicate. All right. Here's the M and Q I put on. Bam, down 27. So let's hope this thing can come on down. Let's hope. Now I do like this. So if I'm looking for a logical target, is that good? That's not enough for me. It might be. I might play right here for this high volume spike. So we should come back and retest the structure breakout point at some point. I want to see if we can overthrow that. Maybe go to 895. Maybe about $200 if I only get this one contract on. So I can be all right with that. So I paid them back by putting in one of the best trading days ever on a single account. Hey, Jesse, how much did you make? Oh, man. 85. Oh, wow. So, hey, you're getting a payout today. Woo. You're still getting a payout. You'll still be ahead. Nice. Hey, lock it out now. Jesse, lock it out. Lock it out. Secure that money. Make those other accounts proud of you. Yeah, that's awesome. No, hey, he's talking about on Take Profit Trader. So Take Profit Trader, he has a 150K account. So anything over 4,500 bucks is his money. So he said he made $8,500. All right. Dang it. What happened there? There we go. What's going on here? Woo! 8,500 minus 4,500. So Jesse can request out $4,000. All right, so look, that target I was just talking about. Look, that target right here, that high volume spike. I didn't take it off yet. Woo! going to take it now, though. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Market. I will gladly accept it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Micros are getting it. I'm liking it. Right off that second deviation band on the view app. Right here. Hey, Raj, you got to hold it all the way down to the view app? I chickened out. I took my $200, said thank you, thank you, thank you, Mr. Market. Report card sent. All right, let's go check it out. Let's check out Jesse's report card. Oh, I like it. I like the lockout feature enabled too. Hey, Jesse, I got to ask a serious question. Serious question. All right, here we go. All right, there's this $8,500. Now that you know you're going to get that payout, are you going to pay to reset those funded accounts because you're using their money, or are you just going to buy evals? What are you going to do? I'm just kind of curious how you answer that. There's no right or wrong answer. I'm just kind of curious. Because now you're not spending your money. You could be spending their money for at least two of them. It's probably what, $1,600 to reset those accounts, the funded accounts. So that's $3,200. You can only get two of them and still be up. Only one. That's smarter. Right? You know, it's their money you're using, so I can't really blame you on that one. That one makes a lot more sense than, you know, you just blew one up without getting a payout, but then you go ahead and reset the funded account. At least in that scenario, I can understand that one. That one makes a lot more sense than you just blew an account up. I don't want to take the eval. Let me just go again. And you didn't have any payouts. You got payouts, so you can kind of, you know, you'll get less in your pocket, but you'll still be putting money in your pocket, and you'll have another employee working for you. So I do like that. But man, it is expensive. Hey, Jesse, hey, it'll be worth it if, or should I say when, you start getting payouts out of both accounts. And then you can just buy the other ones if you chose to, or reset them. Reset them or buy evals, either or. Look, here's the opening range breakout. We clearly broke out it this morning. What's the range on that? 135 points. Oh, if we end up closing down today, that's going to be pretty darn bearish for the market. They keep trying to pop it up and the bulls can't hold it. That will be not so good if you want to be bullish to market. So, what time is it? It's only 10:15. Oof. I like it. Let's see. Yeah, time to reward yourself. Take wifey a nice dinner, or maybe a trip to Costa Rica. Yeah, hey, Jesse, what did we tell you about trading silver? He was probably trading silver last night. Hey, how did you save one account last night? That's craziness. Like, how'd you blow up 4 of them, but save one? I would have blew all 5 up if it was me. I wouldn't have been fortunate enough to save one of them. This market's zinging around pretty good. Pretty good speed. Dead cat bounce today. Let's see if we make it all the way. Hey, Raj, you still holding those to VWAP? Oh man, I wish I would have. Wish I would have held it. If it makes it all the way to VWAP, oh man. I was a little scaredy cat. Oh man. Hey Raj, I'm rooting for it. I'm rooting for your trade, even though I got out early. I was happy with my 100 points. Yeah, follow the rules. Oh man. It's gonna torture me. Ah, by one tick. Wow, one tick. That is crazy. Oh man, it would have one ticked all of my accounts and then went. Jeez. I mean, sorry to hear you lost those accounts, but congrats on the payout. All right, we have a 9 count here. Do I dare? I might look to play this little bounce. Then I'm gonna look to play a bouncy bounce. Ah, dang it. I was trying to move my limit. Stupid market. By Lucid funded back. Brought it back from the dead. Nice. Oracle had earnings yesterday after the bell. So Oracle after earnings, yikes, not so good, down 12%. Let's go look at the heat map again real quick. So Google's down, Microsoft, Meta, all red. Amazon, barely red. Tesla's still up. Nvidia up. Apple is down. So we have one. So we only have 2 of the Mag 7 in the green. Red. XLC is in the red. XLF is barely red though, but still. If you want a sustainable rally, we need financials to participate. Now, hey, let's talk about this real quick. If you trade the opening range, all right, 50% level, 717 is a logical target. And 717 is just below the VWAP. Let's see if we get to that 717 strike price. What do is it? I think I just moved that line. Make it green. There we go. It's still good. JD says, dump it. Man, oh man. We'll see if we're gonna make it. I might try to target that center regression channel or that center point of the opening range. Dog it. Ah, got me. I want to try to target that 717. They'll probably stop me out, you joker. Joker. I gave it 2 shots. I don't want to keep hitting. Maybe I'll smack it again with a micro down there. Haven't done it yet. Thinking about it though. Thinking about it. So we get right down to that midpoint. Regression channel is still sloping upward though, so I gotta be mindful of that. Gotta be mindful the regression channel is sloping upward. But I think I'm gonna take a swing at it. I'm gonna take a swing down to that 717. via some micros. See if we can get on down there. Get. The way I can let it swing around a little bit with the micros. Hopefully it won't just bounce off here and rip up. There's a possibility. Bezos says, I think we're going to have labor scarcity because of AI. We still have down into tomorrow daily cycle low. Let's get it. I hope it doesn't just chop. Come on. Let's do it. Oil's back up 2 cents. Gold's down 42. Dow's up 206. SP up 16. NASDAQ up 276. And the Russell up 32. Wow. Russell's up over 1%. So is the NASDAQ. Look at that real quick. RTY. Wow, Russell's not even near the highs either. Interesting. All right, got a little something on that. Jumped on the bandwagon. I don't see any news out yet. It sure feels like news induced, but I don't see anything. I'm looking for any headlines, which I do not see yet. Yeah, regression channel is still sloping upward. Yeah, it might be a lot of people short right now. Oil's back down. Oil's down 13 cents. ATR is 56, 2-point spread. Yeah, every now and then that spread's jumping up though. Hey, so I want to be on the lookout for this. Could this turn into an ABC pattern down? Look, if we end up forming a lower high right here, it's a big if at this point. All right, we don't know. It's still early. But if we do, we have a price completion at 624. We go up a little bit higher, we just have to adjust this up. So we'll see if we end up producing a lower high or not. Still a little bit too early. Last night was probably the bottom. Could have been. So let's see. Is it Bart Simpson? Yeah, I do need to go ahead and measure this because we break the 786. So if we go above 986, I'm just going to draw a white line. I don't want to keep moving this fib number up, this fib retrace or fib extension up. So I'm actually going to get rid of that. Get rid of this. All right, so once we start to get the turn, I'll redraw it. But if we get above this white line, I'm not going to be looking for that ABC pattern down. Dow's up 304. Dang it. I was able to move my target a little bit. I was trying to move it again. It didn't give me a chance to. What's the best replicator? You're talking about trade copier? Trade copier, I think, is the best. I'll drop a link for it for you. There's the best trade copier, if that's what you're asking. In my personal opinion. Ooh, all right. So I'm going to start drawing this because now it's looking a little bit more like there is a chance. Watch. I'm going to draw it and we're going to rip right back up. 632. We'll take your eyes off of that 722, 717 actually. Midpoint. We start breaking back below here. This is a target location as we work our way through the entire opening range and down towards the ABC target at 632. So let's see. Let's get it. I'm going to be making a new video on the trade copier pretty soon, which I think it's going to be pretty good. I think it'll probably be the best one I've done. I think. At least how I have it all mapped out in my head. There is going to be a video dropping, I think, at 12 o'clock today as well. Let's see. Look, we're bouncing. Got a little wick on this candle. Uh-oh. Let's go measure. Because there is a possibility. Came right down to 786. Could this turn into a little ABC pattern up? We might. Russian channel still sloping upward. Give me a chance to move my target. I moved it. Joker got me. Son of a biscuit. Didn't let me move that time. There we go. There we go. Here, now I get out of the way. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. A little bit more. Thank you. Thank you very much, Mr. Market. Thank you. I appreciate that. All right, so we're still stuck. You know, is this going to be a larger ABC pattern down, or do we have a little minor ABC pattern on the way up? Blue 2 evals. Oh, Captain Rex. Sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that. Come on. What you got to do? Are you going to break out or break down? What is we going to do? Yeah, that's a little bit fast. I mean, sometimes the times where it lets me move my target, I usually end up getting stopped out. Times when it doesn't, it's like in, out, in, out. So now we're kind of in a wait and see. We got to wait. Progression channel is still sloping upward, but we do have a potential ABC pattern down. We have the midpoint of the opening range. The ABC target would be down here at 632. Can they smack it all the way down there? Can they get it? Sure hope so. Hey Raj, you still in that micro down to the view app? Oh, hold on a second. Let's see. I was like, am I wearing my hat with my glasses? I didn't know what hat I had on. I think we're gonna bring Jesse in a second. Let's see See if I remember how to do this. That's weird. All right, let's see if we can bring Jesse on. Let's see what Jesse has to say with us today. All right, Jesse, I got you on.
Sweet. Can you guys hear me all right?
I forgot to switch the audio on this computer, man. It's all, my head's all messed up still from Costa Rica, where we had this computer going to that computer, this one. Like, I was like, I can't remember where to click right now.
Yeah, for some reason I was clicking the wrong buttons too, so I'm glad we got it working. What's up, everybody? Let me close some windows here. I'm discombobulated.
I mean, you had a heck of a night. You had some excitement.
Oh.
Lost some accounts, got it back. I feel like you're like Rocky Balboa fighting that Russian. Yo, Adrian.
Yeah, I took a beating. That's for sure.
I was wondering why you never called back last night. You said, I'll call you back in a little bit.
Yeah.
Hey, what's funny is you even said, hey, maybe I shouldn't trade tonight. You even said that last night.
I said the universe was showing me some signs because I didn't have the activation codes yet from passing those accounts. And then they came in pretty late. It was already too late to call you back. I was watching a documentary. That's what happened. But anyways, I saw the codes came in. I was like, all right, let's do some trading. I did $1,400. I should have just stopped there, but you know, greed.
That's what got me yesterday afternoon. Greed.
Yeah.
I'm usually pretty good about keeping the greed monster at bay, but that little sucker creeped in on me yesterday.
Yeah, it was nuts, man. So did 1,400 times 5 on those pro accounts, and then it just got stupid, just doing the same old stuff, guys. Like moved my stop, got a little too cocky, backed the stop up a little bit more, a little bit more. Then I added, then I moved it again, then I doubled down again.
Oh boy.
Hey, and then it came back. I mean, it worked out. I just took way too much heat, added way too many contracts. And then I woke up this morning and I saw the market way up there. And I was like, so I was long when all that happened. And I was like, oh man, couldn't believe it.
Hey, so how many contracts did you get into?
I had 6 minis on that trade.
Oh yeah, that's too many.
Because so every time I moved my stop, well, the first couple times I moved my stop, I didn't add. I was being smart. I told myself, you're not adding. But when I got to about $1,000 down, I added 2 more. So then I had 3 contracts on. It got down another $1,000 and I had doubled down and so then I had 6.
So more of the story is if you would have just used your stop loss, you would have been good.
Hey, get this. I know we all tell ourselves this every time, right, guys? I had literally, it gave me a couple bounces. It gave me 2 times where I could have got out for break even. Twice, and I didn't do it. Oh, man.
That's happened to me yesterday. I was like up. I was up, and I was down. I was like, I need to get more out of this. Pulled down a little bit. Went back up. I was like, nah, I want more. And then from there, it was just like, hey, you had 2 shots to get out green, and now you're just going to pay.
Yeah, I was literally like that giraffe too. I swear, I was praying. I was like, if you get up there one more time, I promise I'm never doing this. I couldn't help but cry and laugh at the same time because I sounded exactly like that video.
Yeah, that's funny.
And it just never gave me that last opportunity. It took out my accounts and then went back. One of them survived it, and
that's
I got
crazy.
Yeah, I closed that for a small loss, and then this morning I was just seeing the market right on. So
Hey, so here's the funny part. So if I would have just, I mean, I could have got out break even. There was a third time I could have got out break even, but if I would have just took what little bit I was up, and then I had the night I had last night, I would have been at payout. I would have been.
yeah,
It's just, I can't even believe it. Instead,
I
like,
know.
nah, you're gonna give me that money. And I was
I
just
know.
thinking about the dollars, and I effed up. I effed up yesterday afternoon.
Me too.
So I did good on stream. I was happy. I was like, went to have lunch. I came back. I was like, I want more. It's like, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Yeah.
And I forced the trade, and then it was south from there.
Yeah. I mean, hey, just for anybody listening in, this rarely works out in your favor, in my favor, but in this particular instance, extreme rarity here, but it took 4 of my accounts, left me with 1 account, and I just happened to get a bigger payout than I would have if I had the 5 accounts. So
yeah, that's not true though, because like maybe on this payout, but the next day you would have been ahead.
So now I'm sure for day 1, I killed it, right? Like big payout tonight. I'm happy about that. None of the accounts would have been at payout today or tonight.
I like what Eric says.
So
this is what we do. If Jesse moves his stop, he gives Mike $1,000. If Mike moves his stops, oh no, hey Eric, I didn't move my stop. I just got rid of it.
He just closed the stop. Well, that's got to be part of the rule too, then.
No, it was still there. It was just invisible. I made it invisible so he couldn't seek it.
Yeah.
And then I added to it. I was like, oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? But
I know.
It is
I
what
was
it is.
sitting there telling me over and over, telling myself, like, what are you doing? And there was so many times where I could have got out for $1,000 loss or a $2,000 loss and still had half my drawdown. And like multiple times, I just didn't do it. Crazy.
Reward the risk. So last night I was risking about $250, making $1,000 per trade. So that was pretty good last night.
That's
last night
pretty good.
I was pretty good last night. I had 3 trades past those Apex accounts. Hey, they extended the Apex sale too, so I might pick up another 5 tonight.
There you go. There you go.
I don't know, or maybe I'll just wait and trade these funded ones and make sure I'm on the right track. And then I think they extended it by 12 days or something. So I think I might just. And it was nice when I bought 5, just hitting the button one time. Boop. Oh, that was nice. That was nice.
Yeah. Hey, how about this? How about you get these bad boys up over the buffer first?
Well,
then
I might not be over the buffer before. But I mean, I always look at the worst case scenario. Like, I don't look at the best case, because the best case usually doesn't pan out. So if I prepare for the worst, it usually will fall somewhere in the middle.
Well, the worst is you buy 5 more and then you blow up all 10. So
yeah, that's fine. I'm all right with that. But if I'm all right with that, I'm good. I'm good with that.
Stay Broke says, "Why are you talking about me?" It's all of us, right? I mean, it's just crazy what happens in our mind when we're, I don't know.
That's the hardest part of trading is your mind. The 6 inches between your left ear and your right ear, our own headspace.
Yeah.
It's the hardest part. Pushing the button is not hard. Knowing when to push the button isn't hard, but following the rules is very hard.
Yeah, and it's like you were saying earlier this morning too. It always seems to happen like on day 1 of getting funded, or day before a payout, or something like that.
We were talking about that even before we knew about your situation from last night. We were talking about that. Somebody brought it up earlier on the stream. Oh, day 1, I already did whatever I said. And that's a common thing when I talk to a lot of traders. Oh, I shouldn't even trade day 1, because every time I do, I never start off good. And it just sets me in a bad tone.
Yeah.
I think because we just focus on, now I'm in the point where I can get money. And then instead of focusing on the process, we focus on the end goal, and then it just doesn't work.
Yep. So quick story for you guys. So for me, I'm not talking about for everybody, but I've tried that before, just not trading it, like get funded and don't even trade the first day. But here's what happened. And I imagine this would be maybe common. So day 2, then I felt like I got to get back what I didn't get on the day 1, right? So then you're even more pressured. So I think the smartest thing is just size way down. If you're going to try to do anything, just trade one micro on day one.
Yeah. So what I thought you were going to say was that you don't trade on day one. And then the market gives you the day that you would have loved. You're like, you're so mad. And then day number 2 is your worst day.
Yeah, that happens too. Yeah, it's always something, right? It's always something out to get us. So the best thing we can do is just scale way down on that first couple of days and ease into it.
You ever think maybe it's just us out to get ourselves?
Yeah, well, sure. Yeah.
We're trying to get ourselves.
Well, think about it. Like, so it's very true. It's realistic that you have some of your best trading, you pass an account or you get an account all the way close to payout. And that's because for the preceding few days, the market's been behaving the way you need it to for your style of trading, right? So chances are it's soon about to go through that other version of itself that we're not so good at trading. And that always happens to be the timing, right? You pass an account, that's because you've been trading well. Well, the market's getting ready to change its course. So that's why that timing always happens. And on top of that, we've built up our confidence. We're cocky. It's that Superman effect that Mike talks about. And so all of it happens right at the same time and boom.
Yeah, it's horrible.
It's crazy. I still can't believe I did that last night. I'm like, what were you doing?
And when you think logically, and what's funny is when you think about it, your stop loss you say is what, 350?
Yeah, so I trade with my stop's always 350, and then my target changes with the current 5-minute ATR. So
you're like, nah, I don't want to give him 350. I can't do that. I'll give him the whole count.
Yeah, exactly. Like, what the hell are we thinking?
Let me lose 4,500 instead of 350.
Yeah.
Hey, and here's a funny backdrop some of you guys don't know. So Jesse, when he was down in the dumps earlier in the year, I ended up having him send me all of his stats and put it through AI and was showing him and stuff. And AI even says, whenever you're down X amount, it never ends well for you.
Oh yeah, we ran the stats. I ran it multiple times through ChatGPT, and then I built my own spreadsheet. And by the way, I've done that like 3 times since, and every time it's the same results, right? So, and this is how I came up with that static stop of $350, guys. I exported I've probably exported over 10,000 trades now by this point. And by far, if I let a trade get $350 against me, it usually becomes a pretty big loser. So that's where that number came from.
And it's a lot easier taking a smaller loss, but once it gets to a certain number, for whatever reason, we're like, I can't take that big of a loss.
Yeah. Well, and here's the evidence on that too. So that's a mental thing for sure, right? You're like, you see $1,000, you're like, I can't lose $1,000. And then before you know it, it's 2,000. You're like, I can't lose 2,000.
Yeah, but when you're down 2,000, you're like, oh man, if it just goes back to 1,000, I'll get out.
and then how many of us get out, right? So
that's the problem.
Yeah,
it's hard. It's hard. It's the most challenging thing ever. I still remember one day at work, me and my friend were trading, and we're in the same trade but different prices or whatever. And we were looking for the ES to go long. I was trading the ES, and it went down. It was just getting pummeled one morning. I added to it. I think it started coming up. Hey, he gets out like around 2 o'clock or so. He bounces. He gets out and takes a small loss on it, $100, $150, something like that. I'm like, nah, it's gonna get all the way to my target. Guess what? By 4 o'clock, it smoked when I thought it was bad earlier. I was like, dang it, I wish I would have got out where he did. It's just, he took a very small loss when it bounced up. And I was like, no, it has to at least get me green. I really want my target. I think it's going to go up there. I was wrong. And you pay for it. Sometimes it's better just to get a chance to regroup and come back at it.
And that's some of my best trading too, according to the real statistics, right? When I export everything and run it through the spreadsheet and give it to ChatGPT, the best trade, my best several days in a row of trading is when I just take the stops. Like that's my best week of trading comes when I have a low win percentage, right? Low win percentage, but high RR. The absolute best trading. So for example, if I have a 56% win rate with a 1 to 3.5 or 1 to 4 R, that is where my stats shine. It's when I do stupid stuff like last night and move stops around. Whoa, look at this. Starting to get a little ugly out here.
Well, hey, we still have the target down here at 715. And then the opening range low and then the ABC pattern. I readjusted the ABC pattern, but it's at 20,645 now. And we're coming, here's the validation point for that pattern right here. So look, we actually tried to trigger ABC pattern up. We broke below here. We didn't break below it yet. A little bit lower, it invalidates that pattern. It ends up being a busted ABC pattern up, but we still have the larger ABC pattern to the downside that could be in play. So,
but then again, also, if you just look at that chart, it looks like we're stuck in this range, and we just tapped the bottom of that range, and now it's trying to bounce a little bit there.
You are. We had the regression channel still sloping downward at this point. We had a trade detector bubble just show up.
What are those white lines? Is that the opening balance or initial balance?
So here's the initial balance low, initial balance high. The one up here was if we went above that, I would no longer be looking for an ABC pattern down. So I just drew a reference point. That's the 786. So if price went above that, I would no longer be looking for an ABC pattern down.
Gotcha.
So once we break this low down here, then I can go ahead and just take that off my chart. But
hey, see you, Chris.
Yeah, see you later, Chris. Thanks for stopping by, hanging out with us as always. Chris has been out here longer than anybody else on the stream. Back when I used to have like 13 people on the stream.
I'm trying to catch up.
Trying. Yeah, let's go. Hey, Raj, you still in it? We had a good push off that second deviation band, Jesse. I don't know if you saw it. If you look right there, I went short. I got out early. Raj is still holding it. Hey, look on this chart. You can see that ABC pattern a little bit easier too. Here's the A to B leg, the B to C leg, and then we project all the way down there for 645.
Would that be right around the standard deviation -1? Close to it, right?
It'd be about 60 points above it.
Oh, okay. Which is just a little burp for NQ.
NQ's been wild. So the Dow up 326. Russell's up 40 points. All right, Raj, gonna email me a chart. Let's see.
NQ up 268.
Crude oil's up 22 cents.
Oh, hey, Mike, somebody earlier in the chat, I don't know if they're still here or not, but somebody was asking if you have a Spot Gamma affiliate code yet.
No.
No, Mike does not. If you're still here, he doesn't have. But they are running a pretty good deal right now. I forgot what it was, but check out their YouTube channel. They announced it last week, I think, if anybody's interested. Speaking of Spot Gamma,
Time is money. Yep. Money never sleeps. Let's see. Look, right here, 717 is the midpoint of the opening range. That could be target one as we're below here as well. So you're trading that with multiple contracts. 717 would be a logical target. Take some off. Will they get it? Hey, Paul, what do you mean by heat map? Let's see. Did we make it down there?
I see my name. Did I miss something? Hold on.
That's funny. I don't see your name.
Jesse, that was awesome. You doing the live analysis on the heat map. Oh yeah, the Spot Gamma charm pressure. So that really comes into play the kind of the final hour of the day. The charm gets real intense and the dealers have to unwind their hedging. So it's a pretty powerful tool, but we're not often on there the last hour of the day. That was just because Mike was on vacation. We got lucky.
I mean, I'm watching the market always.
Yeah.
Like anybody has talked to me, hey, you got your charts up? My charts are always up.
Yeah.
I don't ever not have my charts up. Let's go see what Raj said.
Okay, Raj is done for the day, out of the position. Okay.
Let's go looky, looky, looky. There's the deviation bands up here. Find something new, 2-minute chart. Below is the 5 minutes. Hey, Raj, did you wait for the rejection before you got into that? Did you wait for any kind of candlestick rejection before getting in?
Hey, Raj, I have another question too. Is that the VWAP that starts at 9:30 a.m. or is that the from yesterday's open? Paul, yeah, it does. But Spot Gamma does have
the VWAP.
They have the Gamma, the Delta, and the Charm, all 3 heat maps. They don't have, what's the other one? I forgot what the other one is. They don't have the other one though. They have Gamma, Delta, and Charm.
Hey, we're about to go into negative Gamma too, huh? CRDT.
VWAP is from 6 p.m. Eastern, and he only uses that one. Okay, gotcha. Thanks, Raj. So, interesting enough, on the Spot Gamma, Mike, are you looking at the trace on Spot Gamma by chance?
Yeah.
It's like finally, like it seems like for months we've been like having wild Gamma exposure from a market maker perspective, but finally we've got the top half of the chart is purple. The bottom half is red, which means we're kind of pinned right between. This is normal. This is what it normally looks like. So we might be getting kind of back to a kind of normally.
Why would we get some more in that red? What Jesse was telling us before is when we get in that red, they have to keep going with the flow, right?
Are you on? Is that the Gamma heat map that you're looking at?
Yeah.
Yeah. No. In the red just means higher volatility. It doesn't necessarily mean down.
We do have a lot of GEX up here though.
Yeah, so it might be pulled towards, you know, the big giant purple Gamma strikes are the magnets. So there's one above us and one below us. So
hey, watch 717. 717. That's the midpoint. And then we'll see if we can get all the way down to ABC pattern completion. Oh man, you just missed the duck race. Man, we just did it. Hey, Jay Love says he was his duck was in the paint shop. He's getting a use code Mike painted on the side of his duck.
That's funny. like a NASCAR sponsorship or something.
Yeah. I want to see if we hit that green line. Can we get it? Can we get it? Can they do it? Let's get it.
And what exactly is that? That's a target you drew earlier?
That's the midpoint between the opening range high and low. It's usually a pretty good magnet area once we start breaking back into it. So we have the ABC pattern. We broke below that low. So the ABC pattern is validated. Now, will it be a busted pattern? As long as it stays below 943, it's good.
Yeah.
So I want to see if we hit that 717-ish area. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take off 2 of these micros. We're getting close enough for me. I pulled 2 of them off. I'm gonna try to take the other 2 down towards the ABC target at 645. So we'll see how that plays out. Shoot, we might get there pretty quick.
We're getting it.
Short term, we're starting to get oversold though on this chart. Makes me a little bit nervous. A little bit more of a bounce. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one more off. That way I only have one writing. That way I don't get back too much if it comes back and smacks me in the face before coming down here. And if it does bounce up here a little bit, I can look to re-engage some of those micros back on. So I think I'd rather play it that way. Let's see if we make it all the way down there.
Okay, the VIX 1 day and the VIX both climbing. They're both on green bars. Spot Gamma's hero indicator is dumping.
I'm gonna close it. Out, out, and out.
Nice.
I like it. I likes it a lot. So very good, man. I've done pretty good trading the last 2 weeks. I like it. Almost 11 a.m. Oh yeah. At BA. BA. Oh, I can't even find it. Let's see if we got a trade detector bubble showing up too.
Oh.
Hey, S&P went red.
If they stay below that red bubble, watch out.
S&P went red.
I was just going to say, looks like we have a little bit more downside in the tank here, but let's see what happens.
Yeah, we came pretty close to my target, so I don't mind getting out a little bit early. You just got back from dinner? Hey, where are you at in the world? That's funny. Like when I was in Costa Rica, it was like right after I got done surfing in the morning. It was already lunchtime here. From India? Nice. Let's see. Oh, I almost just closed out. Almost just closed you out on accident.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
It's like, see you guys.
We still coming down. They got the ES in the red. ES is the only indice in the red. So if we come over and check out the gaps real quick. Let's just go see. Oh, look at the VIX. Hey, VIX only down 2 cents. Wow. Wowzers. Yeah. Hey, once again, so if they end up getting us red today, you know, you definitely can tell we have a character change in the market. No doubt. Let's see SPY. SPY, yep. SPY filled the gap. IWM, nah, not yet. Diamonds, not yet, but it looks like they kind of want to. Hughes, not yet, but I think it's going to get it. Huh. I don't know. I haven't really seen any news. No real news yet. Trump hasn't even said anything for a while.
Okay, so now the VIX 1 day and the VIX are both on red bars, so they're trying to come down a little bit.
Let's get it. Push it. I mean, I don't have a trade on, so it doesn't matter to me, but I wouldn't mind seeing some more downside. We did complete the ABC pattern. Look, we hit it. So I got out a little bit early, but that's fine. I was scaredy pants.
All right, so here's the problem now. If they get some momentum to the downside, we're now in negative gamma from the market maker perspective. So then they'll start contributing.
Joker, isn't that what I just said a few minutes ago when I had that up? You said, no, it doesn't mean nothing. Just a little more volatility.
It means they're going to be trading in the direction.
That's what I just said. You said, nah, it just means a little bit more volatility.
Could be the up or down, though. That's the thing.
Well, if I go short, it'll be up. If I go long, it'll be down. All right, so how big's the range been? 783 points. SP range 106. Simple Trade's on it.
Simple Trader. Oh, there we go. A little more to the downside.
I gotta do that. I gotta remember that.
Yeah, the hero just dumped. Oh boy, $1 billion.
Hey, here's what Jesse's talking about with the hero dumping. The line right here. Actually, I just got a hero chart too. Oh look, hey Jesse, I just noticed. Hey, you had a flow event up here at the highs. Hey, that would have been right around that VWAP on the NASDAQ, right around that same time. We had that flow event. Interesting. Interesting. Hey, look at that delta over here. Look at my chart. Look at that delta, 1,000 delta. Look, everything else just looks like nothing. That's crazy.
Yeah, mine did that too. There's a big dump of delta right there. Yeah.
Yeah, so you got a trade detector bubble showed up too.
That was a ton of volume on that. That was a lot of volume right there too.
Yeah.
1,000 contracts. What happened on the Bookmap?
I don't really see it. Well, I see a
Yeah.
big. Actually, we had a lot of iceberg orders fire off to the downside, but yeah, we got a 9 count and a trade detector bubble. I just don't know how I feel about trading that at the moment. Normally, I'd want to swing at that, but
yeah, if they can hold above that big red bubble, then
yeah, if we hold above it, but I don't know, man. I don't.
if they can, there we go. If they can, there it is. If they can get them to stop out, woo, it's gonna rip.
Let's see.
Let's see.
I just got a little scalp on that. Thank you very much. Took a quick little 5 points.
A few more points here, and they're gonna puke it. They're about to stop out. Like, but let's see. If they can get above. I'm guessing through six. What is that? 648-ish. That previous swing high. If they can break that, it's probably gonna rip.
There we go. Bam. Took 2 scalps off that.
Nice.
5 points each. I didn't touch it. I didn't even try to move my stops on those or my
There it
targets.
They're gonna try to stop all those people out that got aggressively short down there. Well, they tried.
We'll see if they can make it. But if we go back down there, we'll see. I usually like catching a falling knife too. I'm usually all about it, but I'm feeling a little bit. Maybe yesterday just smacked me in the face. Pentagon on lockdown. Oh, I didn't see that. Uh-oh. Pentagon has been locked down. Hazmat teams are responding.
Hazmat? What the heck?
What happened there?
I don't know.
Huh.
I see it. It's red on the juice, though. I didn't notice that right away.
I didn't notice it either.
There we go. They just hit all those guys' stops. That's why it ripped up. Wow.
People evacuated from several floors of the Pentagon.
I wonder what happened. Firefighters on scene. Hazardous materials incident. Okay. I wonder what that could be at the Pentagon.
Maybe someone spilled a Gatorade.
Mike Pryor. That's funny.
Taco Bell.
I haven't had Taco Bell in a long time. That sounds good,
neither.
actually.
Taco Bell will clean you out, baby. I haven't been there for a hot minute. I remember back when it used to be cheap to go there.
Hey, as I was scalping all those longs on that rip earlier for that $8,500, I was actually, this is the first time this has ever happened to me. I was actually getting nervous about the $10,000 thing with TPT. I was like, whoa, slow down, dude. Slow down.
Why'd you be nervous? You get they'll just stop you at 10 grand, then you get a payout and they move you to live. There's no different. Like,
there's a big difference. I don't want one account live. I want 5.
Yeah, but you can still get the other ones live. It doesn't matter. Like, you can trade live. Yeah, with them you can trade live and evals. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm telling you, like, they have, like, Take Profit Trader has, like, I think, in my personal opinion, one of the best programs out there, best payout policy. The only negative they have is the intraday drawdown once you get into a pro account. That's it.
Yeah.
But if you have, with good, you have to have something to offset it too.
Yeah.
So
otherwise you end up with a FTT situation.
Yeah, you don't want that.
You don't want that. I didn't know. I did not know. Thank you for the education.
All the other prop firms won't let you do it. Majority of the other prop firms don't allow that. Take Profit Trader does.
Okay, so I don't need to be worried about that then.
That's what I'm saying. Cool. Just do your thing. Well, it's probably good. That way you didn't get caught in a bad trade.
Yeah, exactly. So there's more news on that. Pamela confirmed that systems within the Pentagon have detected an air quality issue. I wonder what happened.
I don't know. But I'll tell you what, man, I'll just talk about Taco Bell and stuff. I'm hungry. And my daughter's at camp this week. So
Oh,
Me
really?
and the wife's been going to lunch every day. So I'm like, where are we going to go to lunch today?
I mean, Chipotle is a much better version of Taco Bell.
Yeah, we went to Chipotle Tuesday, I think. Tuesday we went to Chipotle, I think it was. I don't know where I want. I don't know. I'm getting hungry. Just made pizza. Oh, we have a pizza place right down the street. It's not one of the big chains, but man, they have really good pizza. Really good pizza. And it's weird. Usually I don't like the kind of pizza they make. Like I don't usually like thin crust, but their pizza's thin crust and it's really good.
Wait, which pizza place?
I don't know. It's some mom and pops down the street.
Oh, yeah.
I think they're from like New York or something, but it's pretty good. I've had other New York pizza, but their pizza's on point.
Man, that one Delta dump is still on because I have a much bigger bar, so it's still on my chart, skewing my whole Delta thing.
Oh, they're trying to rip it back up.
Yeah.
All right. Ah. Oh boy. How did I do this? Dang it.
Okay, finally that one that one Delta spike just scrolled off my chart, so I'm back to normal.
All right, I'm dropping the code. Bam. Now remember, if you guys want a chance to win, make sure you sign up to the email list. Make sure your email is confirmed. Nightbot's going to pick out 10 random winners in the chat. All right. I was going to give you a spot in the duck race anyways. I don't even have to do it. Sweet. This will be for a 50K Take Profit Trader account. Also, the video from last night, there's going to be a winner from that video and today's video as well. So let's see. All right, let's pick out the second one. Now I'm going to go through the chat after Nightbot picks out 10 people and select some winners as well, or select other contestants. So let's see. Bam. All right, string B's in there. And every time I hear a noise, chirp or knock, I can't help but to look at my screens. Miranda, you have a spot?
That's what got me in trouble last night. I was already up $1,400 watching a documentary, and I heard some noises, and
What was the documentary you're watching?
Oh shoot, I forgot. I'll have to look back at my history.
That American Nightmare one was pretty jacked up.
That's pretty good. That's a good one.
I did watch that other crash one too. On the plane.
Yeah. Yeah. She did it. That's my opinion anyways, after watching the whole thing.
Could have. All right, you guys can quit typing in the chat. Nightbot's picked out all the contestants. Remember, you gotta be on the email list. Your email's got to be confirmed. Otherwise, if you win, you forfeit.
Yeah, and everybody hit live on the stream so you're not behind.
Ace Trades, you have a spot in the duck race. Let's see. Raphael, you have a spot. Oh, I gotta put him in it too. Finite. Ooh. Finite Freedom. Let's get it.
I wonder if he's gonna let Jesse pick one, folks.
Probably not. Elijah Fade, you have a spot. Captain Rex, I'll give you a spot. I don't know how to. PS Pinda. I don't know how to pronounce it. Give you a spot. Eddie, you have a spot. Then Jesse can pick out one person.
Ooh, I get a choice.
Maybe.
I'm going to go with, I'm going to randomly spin my mouse around and I'm going to stop now and open my eyes. Okay, it's D Boss.
Hey, that's funny. Hey, I was just selecting his name too. I just put trading game in, and then I was gonna pick D Boss, and then whoever you pick. So, all right,
Giving D Boss the spot. There
all
you
right,
go.
sweet. All right, let's see who's got what it takes. Who's got what it takes? Make sure Bookmap's not blocking anything. Oh, buddy. Let's get it. Let's go. All right, on your marks, get set. Beep. Oh,
Okay.
beep. Oh.
False start.
Oh, there we go. Oh, takes the crowd off, but I can still hear the ducks.
I wish we could hear the ducks on the stream.
Oh, it's quack, quack, quack.
I mean, that's pretty cool.
It's not constant. It's just like every so often.
Okay. Let's see.
Uh-oh.
Usually
Captain
the
Rex is
early
number
lead.
one.
Let's see. Oh, Simple Trade is in there.
Yeah, he's the first. They're the first one. I was gonna pick him anyways. If Nightbot didn't pick him.
Okay.
Your duck is transparent. Raphael. Oh, congrats, Raphael.
Nice race.
Hey, Raphael, have you ever had a Take Profit Trader account? If you have not, please go to their website, create an account. Do not buy anything. Create an account so we can get this account transferred over to you. And I gotta go find you real quick. I feel like you've won in the past. So I might have your. Let's see. Let's see. Hey, Raphael, what's the first three letters of your email? Because this Raphael has one.
R20. Oh, I remember saying that before.
Yeah, he's one. Hey, so I think I have your stuff. I'm trying to look through the old emails. I do. Hey, Raphael, so I don't have to email you. I'm going to use the email that we did before. You want to Take Profit Trader account in the past. It looks like back in September. All right, so let me email them real quick.
Wow, September? Jeez, time flies. Because I remember calling that out, R20.
Yeah, that was a while ago.
Adam.
All right, Raphael, as soon as they email me and let me know the account's been transferred, I will email you back. All right, that was easy. Easy peasy. Wow, I almost just closed you out again. So we're going to pump back up. Now we complete that ABC pattern. Look, that 9 count with that trade detected bubble basically called it low right there off that little swing. Regression channel is still sloping down. Can they start to flatten this out a little bit? Sucks being at work. Hey, J Love, I meant to put you in the race too. Remind me tomorrow. I'm going to give you a spot in the race. I meant to give you a spot in the race today.
Jay Loves. Okay, I'll try to remember too.
Hey, because he's the one that was going to spray paint the duck.
Oh, that's right. So String Bean says that he trying to get into the prop space in order to scale up. Okay, gotcha. Trading cash. Okay. You got this, String Bean.
They're ripping it pretty good. Hey, so the Russell's up 1.56%.
Hey, look at your delta again.
Yeah, I know. I got another one of those big old deltas.
Oh, me too. Oh, jeez.
Yeah, see, mine's already gone though. Look at that delta. It just dwarfs. That one's only 600. The other one was 1,000.
Yeah.
So, trying to look. Trying to. Oh man, did I miss it? Because Paul was asking earlier. Hey, do we are they going to set a trap today? I said, I want to see it between the 61 and 78.6 fib level. I said that earlier on the stream, and look at where we bounced from. Son of a biscuit. I took my eyes off the prize as we came down there. God,
You're too busy racing ducks.
Yeah, I still would have had time, man.
Well, if that was the trap, you still got time. It's going to go all the way back up to the top, right?
Yeah, but I thought this is the area I said I want to see it, right in that area. I said between the 61.8 and the 78.6. I said it earlier on the stream.
I mean, if it can stay above this POC here, then it's probably going to rotate up to the value area high, you would think. Or at
Maybe.
least close
Yeah,
to
it could. Or, man, that just irritates me.
Which happens to be the POC from yesterday. So that's a high volume area.
What was the same as the point of control from the prior day?
Yeah, value area high for today is the POC from yesterday. So you know what? I'm gonna actually do it. I'm gonna do it.
Now, hey, the point of control is way down here. My point of control is at 72.99. Yesterday's at 73.25.
No, if you look to the left, yesterday's POC.
Yeah, it's 73.25.
Yeah, which is at today's value area high.
Oh, okay. I thought you said today's point of control.
No.
Sorry.
So I'm gonna go long. I'm in a long, and I'm gonna target that value area high.
No, hey, Raphael. So unlike Lucid, which that is one thing I really like about Lucid and Tradeify as well, but these accounts I passed last night. I have to wait till after 5 o'clock tonight for Apex to reconcile the books or whatever. Then they'll send me a thing where I can turn them into a pro account or to a PA account. So I can't trade them. I just passed them last night. I bought them last night after 5 o'clock and I passed them.
Well, you'll have them tonight, though.
Yeah. But now I'm going to, after the conversation we had today on stream, how aggressive do I want to get on trade them tonight?
Yeah, don't do like I did last night.
Oh, man. 4 for 5 on your new 150 TPT. Nice. 2 micros safely, but up 400. Nice. Hey, repeat. Good job.
Good job.
I'm thinking about getting crazy with it and switching to M&Q on the micros.
Hey,
in the funded accounts.
Passed the Lucid today. Nice.
Yeah, good job on that. Good job on passing Lucid. Yeah, Lucid Flex are good accounts. What I like about Lucid and Tradeify, you pay a one-time fee. So there's no recurring monthly fee. I do like that. And when you pass, so if you were to pass the account this morning, you could already be trading that funded account. Now, is that good? We just had that discussion earlier. Day one of a funded account usually doesn't end well for most traders. So
Apple, yeah, I moved my stop last night. I was green $1,400 on all 5 pro accounts, and then I moved my stop and added and moved and added and lost 4 of the 5 accounts.
Well, Apex only allows us to have 20 accounts. So I do plan to work back up to 20 accounts, but with that whole move up we had in the markets the last couple of months, I trade like crap, and I didn't want to buy 20 accounts, blow them up by 20 accounts. So I was trying to hold off. So I was getting back in slowly. Now they have the buy 5 at a time. I do like that. That was nice. Just pink.
Yeah.
Hey, String Bean says, Jesse, move the stop? Question mark.
Yeah. Every time I do that, it does not end well. I don't know why the brain keeps doing it.
I'm telling you, the stream really helped me out with that. That one Friday. Like, I'll never forget it. I was like, man, I feel like crap. I was like, I'm never doing that again. And I haven't, for the most part. Let's see.
Okay, I'm gonna close this. $1,000 on that trade I went long on.
I almost said you just did that in the prop account, but
no, that's locked.
I remember seeing the lockout button already pushed.
Yeah, that was a sim only, but I went long from down there and it ripped up $1,000 for me. So
it's still good to do that though, like practice. Like even when you're done for the day, I still think it's good to practice pushing the button and doing the right steps.
Still think ES wants to rotate up to that value area high.
It could.
Let's see.
We came right into the area where I talked about earlier, where I'd want to see a little trappy trap. So
Yeah.
So NASDAQ's on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive up candles on a 5-minute. Curious. A little bit more of an FEG left over at 950.
Finite. How many times can you reset a funded account? If you're talking about TPT, they allow it 3 times.
But it's really expensive.
It's very expensive.
Hey, and I know somebody that's reset 5 150K accounts 3 times in one day.
Oh,
It was like 20-something thousand.
yeah, it's $1,500 each for the 150.
I think it's 16, isn't it?
No, I think it's $14.99. I think.
Really? What if they lowered the price?
I could be wrong. I haven't done it in a while. I've done that before, but not all 5 accounts, and definitely not in the same day.
Yeah, that was bad. I was like, holy crap. I go, what were you thinking? He goes, you know, my time was more valuable than money, but I was still an idiot every time I reset them. He goes, I reset them. I just full poured it. First trade. I'm like, why? He goes, I don't know. It's not common sense. Like, I was on tilt.
Yeah.
And he's done it 3 different times. The person's done it 3 different times.
Oof.
Yeah, I think start over. But Jesse's in a different situation tonight because he's actually getting money out tonight from Take Profit Trader. And he can give it back to him. So nah, that's cool. Can I just have my account back instead? So I don't.
Yeah, and I'm only going to do
that.
1 of the 4 accounts. So here's the plan, right? So I'm going to get a $4,000 payout tonight. The plan is to reset one of those pros that I screwed up last night, and then try to get to payout the next, tomorrow and then Monday. And like, so each time I get a payout, I'm going to reset another one of those accounts using it's their money, but I earned it sim trading, right? So,
Hey, so what do you think about maybe getting 2 of the resets?
no, I think really, so my wife and I are on I've talked to you about this, Mike, and I've set like a 30-day goal. And so far I've only got 4 of the 30 days done. So I
told you that's going to be, I really think that's a bad idea.
Nah, I got it. So what I'm going to do tonight is most of those funds are going to go to that goal. And then I'm going to reset one of those accounts.
All right.
And then, so I'm going to stick to that. And then, I'll keep you guys informed for sure. Hopefully tomorrow, knock on wood.
But at least the last couple weeks, you've been getting some pretty good payouts.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Last week in particular. So between last week and today, puts me green on the year. Thank goodness.
That's good.
And we're halfway through the year. So knock on wood, the rest of the year is,
That's why I kept trying to tell you earlier on when you're Debbie Downer. I was like, it comes back a lot quicker than you think.
Dude, it's been a rough 6 months.
It is. When you're in the dumps, it's not fun.
Yeah.
The market put me in the washing machine for about 2.5 months. When the market just kept going up and 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 up. I was like, dang it. I hate these days. Yeah. I hate when we have no pullbacks in the market. I don't trade well. Yeah, I wish I would have had the lockout feature on yesterday. I even said, like, when I was on the stream, guys, I had no intentions to trade the prop accounts anymore yesterday. I went to lunch. I'm like, I can get him to pay out. I can get a payout tonight. And then full idiot mode came out. Oh, man. It's kind of crazy how that happened. It happened so quick. It's nuts. They need some type of drink that we can drink that makes it where that doesn't happen. Just take a quick little pill. Bloop. Yep. No more idiot mode. Have you ever seen that movie Limitless? Or I think it's Limitless or Limit. I don't know, something like that. You ever seen that movie, Jesse?
Let me Google it and see. I don't recognize
the guy. So you take this pill and you become amazing at anything. You can analyze all these stocks, and the guy actually got into investments. He knew nothing about it before. You can learn anything in a matter of minutes. You just know everything. The problem is, the more you take it, end up being like a strung out crackhead, and it quits working as good. And everyone dies that takes it.
Oh boy.
But for a little bit of time, it's really good. Like, you can do anything. So yeah, we're just kind of consolidate right here. I want to see if we can flip this regression channel. I'll be willing to go long back towards the high of the day on the ES. On the NASDAQ, consolidation here. Yeah, I don't know if I want the first trade to go all the way up. Oh, I don't have the high of the day up there. Price is high of the day. 049. If we can flip this regression channel, I'll probably start to target 29,050-ish. That's what I'm thinking. And we don't. Ooh. Yeah, we don't have any crazy gamma out there today either.
No, it's just kind of all evenly distributed up and down.
Yeah, I was just looking to see if we had any outliers.
I mean, the outliers are at 72.50 and 73.50, so they've got to, got us kind of squished in here. So, and I don't see us hitting either one of those numbers. I mean, you never know, but
I don't know. We're at this upper regression channel. Do I dare look for a short? For a quick little scalp. God, dog, I should have took it.
I don't know if your ES chart shows this, but just on my screen visible area, the only bubbles I see are big green ones, which tells me kind of buyers might be in control here in this whole area.
Yeah, I have some buy bubbles. I still think we're going down. Like I think I could have got a little scalp out of that. I just chickened out. I chickened. 1979. Hey, so the Ninja Delta, that's the IR Delta. It's not Ninja that made that. That's just from the ecosystem. Look at that big Delta. Oh, that's not even that big. Just the other ones are so small. Look, that's only like 120. Look how much of my screen it's taking up. All the other Delta is just tiny.
Look at that rip down. You were thinking about going short too.
That's what happens.
Nice.
But I would take it. It would have been right on up.
Yeah.
Stupid market.
I like this pullback. I'm watching this closely for a long here. I'm in long. Let's see. Oh, I might be early. I was hoping they could stay above those sell bubbles.
You might be all right. I went short.
Yeah. There we go. They just popped above those sellers. If they can stop them out, then I'm good. One little rip up, and they're gonna have to buy back their position, and I'm good. Let's see.
Joker. Dog, I tried to re-short it. It didn't want to fill me. And it went down. Joker. Now it fills me and stops me out. You son of a biscuit. You son of a biscuit. I'm telling you.
Yeah, these sellers are trying to defend their position, but they're getting run over right now. So here we go.
I'm trying to go up right now.
All right, they just stopped them out. So it should rip. Come on. Nope, not yet. They tried.
It almost got me to bite too. I almost bit as we started coming back down right here into the EMAs, but I didn't do it.
Dude, I was up $500 on that too. I didn't take it. It actually might have been more than
Rasha, stay away, chop zone.
Yeah,
yeah, we are right by the VWAP. I got the ES trying to turn down off the VWAP though, so I think that this could play. Yes, turn down off the VWAP. We'll see if the NASDAQ will start doing the same thing, following suit. And if we
I like this range though on the ES. We're right at the bottom of this range.
See if we can get back down here to 650. Just go bing right on down there.
All right.
Hey, oil's up 48 cents. Do we have any news out?
Let's see. What's the VIX and the VIX one?
Anticipated meeting of mediation countries between Washington and Tehran, Pakistan, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Turkey, meet to assess mediation efforts. All right.
Come on, just stop them out so we can rip up. There it goes. They're trying. Oh, sellers are doing a good job defending their shorts right here.
I mean, they don't want to go out naked. VIX is down 23 cents.
We need to pop 801. If we can pop 801, then I'm good on this. I mean, I'm up $500, but I want 1,000. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, baby, let's go.
Did you get out or are you still in?
No, I wasn't fast enough. I should have. I saw 1,000 and then it went right back down to 500.
That's what's hard about when you're in a trade. You're like, okay, I'm gonna get out. Oh, see 1,000. It's back down. Like, oh man, I need to get back to 1,000, then I'll get out.
I probably should have just put my stop or my target right there. But I was like, oh, I'll handle it manually. Nope, that was way too fast.
Yeah, it's been whipping quite a bit.
Yeah.
Hove Gaming, I think you're a little bit delayed.
Just a little bit. And OMHV, you guys got to hit live on the stream. You're way behind. That giveaway was, I don't know, 20 minutes ago maybe. Of course, they're not going to hear us for another 20 minutes if they're that far behind.
Yeah, we're just chopping right here. Yeah, Chop City going. Chopping. Followers from Mars, yep. Elon said he's gonna boost their Starlink pretty soon, so they won't be delayed on my stream. Man, I've been looking at e-foiling boards. Think about getting one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I could see you cruising it around in laps around the pool.
I won't be able to do it in the pool, but I'll be
I would.
I'll go out to the beach.
I couldn't wait to test it. I'd be out in my pool testing it.
I don't know. I don't think the pool's big enough. Like,
yeah, you might not get enough speed up to actually have the foil part work, huh?
Well, yeah, because I mean, to get up, you have to start going. You get your knees and you stand up. It's like it's a little bit of distance.
Yeah. Come on, they're trying.
Yeah, regression channel's flat right now.
There we go. Oh, nope, not yet.
We have potential ABC pattern. Came down to the between 30
okay,
and
there's
58.
1,000. There's 1,000. Oh, 1,200. Did I close it? No, I didn't. I'm an idiot. Oh.
You didn't close it?
No, 1,200 I saw on the piano.
What are you waiting for?
I'm just looking at the ATR band and I'm trying to get up in there.
Inverted cup and handles. So I have a hard time seeing the inverted cup and handles. I don't know why. I can see the normal cup and handle, but the inverted ones I have a hard time with. Dog it. Trying to go long, see if we can get this ABC pattern going up. That's 3 trades in a row I just lost. Stupid market.
And now it's gonna go.
Maybe. The other regression channel is sloping upward now. Joker's gonna get me again. Son of a biscuit. It's 4 in a row now.
Jeez. They're so undecided. Right, here we go. Now they're going.
Yeah, but I was oh, that sucks.
Oh, there we go.
I got a little something.
1400.
But where they filled me out was horrible.
All right, I'm closing it. 1420. Got it. Got the ATR band. Jeez, I held that trade much longer than I normally have to.
Dog it. I keep trying to jump it.
Oh, this would have been a $2,000 trade. I should have held it. Whatever. I'm good.
Joker.
Are they filling you?
Yeah, some of them. I've taken quite a few scalps here. Where's the Russell? Russell's up 1.5%.
Hey, Paul, good to see you. Thanks for hanging out.
Hey, Paul, did you see where the ES turned from?
Yeah.
Right where we talked about in pre-market? 61 and 78.6 fib.
All right. I just got a long volume event. We dipped right back down into it. I
was trying to get long again. It won't let me get long.
I'm long again. Target is 924. I'm gonna need to see a spurt though for it to go.
Yeah, it's gonna stop me. Dog it. I gotta stop this madness. I was happy where my P&L was earlier. Stupid market. I gotta be careful because every time they give me a chance to move my limit, yeah, look, son of a stupid.
You can't make that up.
No.
And then look, it bounced right back up. Look at that. Oh my God, Mike. Oh, you can't make it up. Look at that. Oh man.
Trust me, I know. Ridiculous. Ridiculous.
So I had my chart was all tiny. I was like, what is going on here?
I was trying to come back down a little bit. Look, we got the regression channel sloping upward. And we have this potential ABC pattern right here. So I kept trying to go long. Up here at 29,005. But it's just, my stop's just a little bit too tight, I think, for this conditions.
Yeah, when it's whipping around like that, yeah. Unless you time the bottoms nicely.
That wasn't happening today.
It's kind of hard to do when it's choppy well, it's fast chop too. I'm still in this long.
We're trying to target
924.
I would have been stopped out already. 920. I think you get that. That's right there.
Remember,
Top of the regression
I have
channel.
these big bars, right? So my price action looks different than yours, and it's a little slower, right? Because that kind of cleans up a little bit of that choppiness. But let's see. All right, I'm up 500 on it. I need to see a spurt though. Come on.
Yeah, me too. Spurt it.
They're trying.
Get it.
Oh, push. Push. Oh, they just took that. I don't know how many contracts that was, but there was something there on the book map. They just ate through it. Now they're dropping down. Darn it.
Look, you had an eye count right there too.
Oh, shoot.
It's 11:41. Dang it. I was happy with my P&L for the day too. I just had to F it up.
Well, you come back after lunch and get it back.
Yeah, it worked out well for me yesterday. I'll have flashbacks of what happened yesterday. That was not good. Hey, on the ES. Sure. Oh, wow. Hey, we got a spoofer out here on the ES, 73.15. It was that the same guy? Yeah, it was 948 there. They moved it. 73.15. I feel like that was yesterday. If it wasn't yesterday, it was the day before, but I thought it was yesterday. Hey, so I seen it at one time. It was like a 3,000 contract order on the ES. I was like, oh, there's no way. This could be a spoof. He moved it, bam, got hit. As soon as he got hit, you seen the 3,000 go for a sell. It was like a buy order. When he got hit, instantly he flipped it right to sell, only trying to make one tick on it. I was like, wow. Yep. I was like, I could just sense that their panic. I mean, I know I'd be panicking if I just got filled 3,000 contracts. How much? I mean, even if you were able to get the day trading margin on the ES, oops. Yeah. 100 times 3,000. 1.5 million. Wow. We're getting a pretty good return right back down from here. Yeah, wow. Oil's still getting stronger. Yeah, oil's up $1 or something now. Hey, do we have any news? The way oil's moving kind of makes me think Iran's parliament speaker, wrong strategies and impulsive decisions will reset the entire board for the worse. Trump grows furious that his strikes on Iran are not seen as powerful enough. That's funny. So we got oil going up. What's the VIX doing? Yeah, it's still down 29 cents. We saw that big seller out there on the ES. Still think it's a spoof order though. I want to smack it. Smack it. It's me, Giraffe. The ECB may need to keep hiking rates after Thursday's rate move. There's going to be a deal in 2 weeks. Well, just like 2 or 3 weeks ago, we got a deal any moment. We'll be signing the deal. Going to the weekend, we're close. We're close. We get that big gap up. It's like, come on now. We're gapping up on the hopes that we have a deal. Yet we had none. Nuns.
Raj is talking about selling pay-per-views to duel it out in the UFC ring.
You got to pay off the U.S. debt somehow.
Oh, there we go. Come on. One more little spurt up and I'll close it.
Yeah, I was thinking about buying it down there. I didn't do it though.
Yeah. There we go. Come on.
Yeah, I don't like trading at the POC. It's normally the chop zone. But now, I mean, I got to get it back.
This is frustrating. Choppy.
You tell me about frustrating. Look, it won't let me fill.
There we go. All right, closed it. $1,000.
I was trying to get up. It wouldn't fill me. I was trying to get in it. Watch when it fills me. It'll go right there and stop me out. Watch. See, told you.
Ugh. I think it's lunchtime.
Yeah, it almost is, but now I gotta get it back.
Pizza time.
I'm losing it.
Roper says 1250 today, 300 from funded. After listening to you and Jay, I think I'll go home. Not a bad idea.
Chipotle does sound good. It's like then it goes up.
I know.
Butthole.
I was watching that.
I get in, stops me out, then watch it's gonna go.
So the SpaceX IPO has a $5 billion order from BlackRock already, it says. And then right back down.
Now, at least that time it didn't go right back up. I'm fine with that. It's the ones where it stops me out, then rips where I was trying to go. That's the ones that irritate the crap out of me.
Exactly.
But that really irritates me. No, I don't have any micro ES on. I thought about it. Just smack it. Bam. Russian channel still sloping upward. I still favor the upside. Last couple trades are out of frustration. I was happy with the P&L and I just gave up half of it. So I can guarantee I'll be trading this afternoon. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but probably trading at lunch on my phone. That's always good.
Yeah, sometimes that works out well for you.
I just know, like, how I'm feeling right now, I'll be trading on my phone at lunch. So I'm kind of watching this too. Like, hey, is this gonna be a little ABC pattern down? Here's the A to B leg, B to C leg, and we project. Looks like right down here. We still have that larger ABC pattern to the upside. Completes at 29,005. I probably won't stream the afternoon. Like yesterday when I was trading, I wasn't streaming. I don't always stream the whole time I'm trading. That'd be impossible. If I trade at night, it'd be like a 24-hour stream. I could take 1 hour off. The wife, hey, we have to eat dinner between 5 and 6. Eat dinner, take a shower. That's it. The stream afternoons. Hey, Jesse has a channel. He should stream this afternoon.
Oh boy. I guess I could show off the final hour of the day, that charm pressure or charm heat map.
There you go. Let's get it. I don't know. Hey, Jesse, drop the link to your channel.
Let's see. Boy, I haven't been there in a long time. How do I even do that? Let's see.
Hey, just go to your channel at the very top.
View your channel.
Yeah, then just copy and paste the URL at the top, I think.
Oh yeah. All right, here you guys go. I'm not on there often, but if you subscribe, it should notify you if I do something.
I do something.
I mean, I've streamed on there quite a few times, but I just made them after they're over. I just make them private. I don't keep them public. Holy crap! I got 15 subscribers. Wow. I never even looked. Wow, 15 people. I wonder if that number will grow now that you guys just had me drop a link. Feels like it wants to spurt somewhere.
I can tell you. Just let me go put my trade on and do the opposite.
All right. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. God, Mike, look what you started now.
I know. Now you have to do it every day. You have to quit your job just so you can stream in the afternoon. Tell boss man, hey, I can't come to work.
Dude, it literally just jumped from 15 to 24.
So we almost doubled it.
Jeez. Thanks, guys. I guess now I'll have to do a spot gamma demo this afternoon. I'm gonna have to figure out how to reverse the guest thing so Mike can be a guest on my stream.
We'll do it. I'll come on. Hey, we can use the same room that we're doing.
I guess I'd have to somehow.
You just gotta take the same link I did.
Yeah.
I mean, because I'll be hanging out anyway. I mean, if you end up doing it, I may not. Crap, depends. I got to run one errand, but depends on where I'm at in my P&L wise.
Look at Raj, live streaming silver. No, thank you.
What? I think if we get on there and we get enough votes, I think he might do it. Hey Jose, he hasn't made the stream up yet for this afternoon. If you subscribe though, you'll get notified. Man.
Yeah, I got lunch plans with the family, so I don't know exactly what time, but I'll try to. I'm 3 hours behind the market because I'm on the West Coast. So,
hey, well, you gotta get your priorities straight. The people say they want you all afternoon.
Let's talk it through. When's power hour? Is that from 3 to 4?
No, it's from 1 o'clock till 4, till 5, 1 to 5 Eastern time. We renamed it Power Hours. So we in? Good.
29 subscribers. Dang, you guys are cool.
See, we're gonna double it. Double.
Jose, the link was up above in the chat. Finite says I agree to the 1 to 5. Oh boy.
See? There's Jesse's link. People have spoken.
Yeah, so I'll go have lunch with the family here in a bit, and then I'll come back.
Lunch? It's gonna be, you're having like breakfast with them. It's like 9 o'clock. Your time.
What time is it here? Yeah, it's 9 o'clock.
So you're gonna have like breakfast with them?
No, I told them I'd be there at 11, so I'll go early. I'll go at 10:30. We'll do our thing, and then
hey, just drop off lunch. Say, hey, here's your lunch. Gotta go. Hey, but don't tell your wife I said that.
No, that's exactly what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say Mike and everybody in the chat told me I have to be.
Hey, don't worry, guys. I'll make the stream private so he cannot put it on us. So as soon as we're off, I'll make the stream private so she cannot validate what Jesse's saying. She cannot verify.
I think my wife subscribed, so she'll get the notification that Jesse went live, and she'll go, "What?"
Pentagon incident due to a false alarm.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it just came across.
false alarm. Okay.
Yeah. Nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about. Go on. Go on. Shoo, shoo. You mere peasants.
All right. So yeah, so I'll be back for Power Hour to show off the spot gamma charm, and we'll see if the market makers follow the charm path.
Yeah, I want to see that today. That'd be pretty interesting. So hopefully I can run an errand too. Maybe I'll try to eat lunch and go run the errand. Yeah, we'll see. The way I can get back sooner. I don't know what time my wife has to pick up my daughter. Yeah, we might be able to make work. We'll figure it out.
That's a good question. Yeah, so what I'll do, Mike, is I'll how do we do that? I'm gonna need you to send me the link.
Whoa. That's gonna cost you. That's gonna be I mean, it's very affordable. It'll only be $1 million per day.
Wow, look at that little bounce up out of there.
That's pretty good. We're off that lower regression channel. We're off the opening range high. Hey, so, you need to. Hey, so I don't know what link you need me to send you. We'll get it worked out. I'll call you. Yeah. We'll get it worked out. I can send you whatever you need.
It's the browser thing from OBS. That link that's in the
browser. Yeah, but you can. Yeah, but I have yours.
Oh yeah, I would need yours. We'll figure it out, guys.
Yeah, we'll get it figured out. I mean, you helped me set it up when I was in Costa Rica, so if we can figure that out, we can get this figured out.
Yeah, exactly. If we can figure that out, this shouldn't be an issue.
All right, guys and gals, I'm going to go to lunch. Hope you guys will come back and join Jesse on his Power Hour stream 1 to 5.
1 to 5.
I don't know what time it'll be, but sometime this afternoon. I'm gonna try to make it myself. So I'm gonna go try to eat some lunch, run some errands, and then I'll be back and ready to trade, see if I can get some of this money back. So with that being said, take care, have a good lunch, have a good rest of your day. Hope to see you guys later this afternoon. All right, guys, take care.